for me, my about the Badwam TV. You may do way and crash. You may do me. I'm telling you, I mean, Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego. Then Pilate took Jesus and hung him over to be flogged. Hey, if you ask for, will be on Namwa or Jemqua or say idea, Unyane Ufono. Pilate at the man for the Bono Mankasan. And the soldiers twisted together a crown of thorns and put it on his head. They clothed him in a purple robe. Now, aside from the children, conson, yeah, the shanity. Now, what can I say? We know, say, oye, onyamebano, oye, oheneno. Now, Pilate, every any now, ojina conform you nuntem. Now, you besides, one day, yana mamon, one is a jack conform, not for a week or count. Yes, said Yenna, and then Yenda, and I just said, eh. Onipa hu boni ehu papa na wasemu ayi boni onipa hu trene na hu atimoden a na wasemu ayi timoden onipa hu odo ene wotan a na wasemu ayi wotan efitete besin de na me mpa boni se ene dey men ko se Pilate fo no bi enko semu nye kro no na wanya age nkwa no Easter egira ho ma se Yesu no ekire ni Yesu no enyankopa no obewu esore ye ena ode ne krabia beji nipa krabia enti ode ne osoro krabia ebe fa nipa tibia mu ede osoro krabia eja nipa. Jesus exchanged his royal destiny with man's sinful destiny. What I say, ode osoro krabia ne shebre eba beto ho efa nipa tibia ene ode ja me no mien. Enti obi was me destiny helper, one of destiny helper. Don't look right or left for a destiny helper. Look to the cross. That's where your destiny helper comes from. Ya no say me pepe me bi no asomasene, me pepe petition me no aboa me, hey jais handsome no ka. Na sufre rade abo wo no. Eno nti Easter emre no ehye asuafo no den ema wogina ho okoden etia woni a etan wo no. The disciples fought against opposition. Na wasayade na empo wode akuduro ekasete a owuo ena owuo efiri wonsam na wo mani pa wo hu Nyankopon akira kwa no ehya ase hu Nyankopon. Easter mrewe eye sempaka. Easter mrewe eye akuduro ebekasa etia nioma anya abrabom. Ghana Easter mrewe ye wo nioma bi ekoso a etete oman no eso oman se enyamre ne ye kasa se suban we de yempe. Eme yan krokro no we de panimu ka dabi we panimu ya depa yanka wani. Easter mde mu se wo so aye panimu hwa abrabom mi se enoma meye ne America akira manfo no esafata asome de mekra eto amobi anya nkwaje ana me de misika pe me no nyam ne ma penti na meye de ameye. Easter signifies a new way of life, a period of building broken places and relationships. Easter ejina ho se ye be sese ye ho yentam ebia na me no to na muntuo bi abufuo bi na asem bi aba efi January me no nkasa ana asem no yaka there be assembly aka on the jai. Easter means we show benevolence of love. Easter is a me de sefata na me de efata ama me nyonko me ho. Easter indeed is a gift of change. Easter onyame de ade achede soronko eba bebre yen se ye be sakra abrabom wawadiem usikasem wapomodne wadwuma mu ne ye mu nyara nya hunu se semre mu ehia nsakramu Ghana ade ehia nsakramu pa because me boso aka ade be san nsakramu ye kɔ na ahemfo amanyofo ye te omamu asofo teacher for post for obi ehia change enye change kraka but change wo suban ne yemu suban ejina wo do suban ejai no kure suban ejina kasapa ne kasahwa ne suban ye kakakayo na wati meti obi dabi suban de bone che na mom esua nyansa ehye nkuna sa ne ehia e wa brabom suban edi mraso suban a edi mraso na ema obi ehunu se woye wo mama na bebu mama bra aha na meja wo mama me na wase na Easter we nyina no mo abrabo enne suban padi wodo no kure asumdwe eni pepepe yo ne bonifache say na mesere wo edin am je so Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego me den na ase sonko ma Adom TV adwumafo nyara na mada wo so ahwe me na ase ono nyame entina
Esamo achibie mo akwa abado ba Adom TV Badwam dwumade so yeda Apostle Dr. NPP NEC ase eni nkranhye nsem a wabia no amaye de adu so no yentie nsem a etwagu yemamu ne etodwa omu bi ya wobeti eni enei Easter dadie yi a enedai asase yesi emfa mo dawro ewo fi ho ti asofo gina won mo property so no kasa yen kasa mfa fi ho na Christopher yen an yetete montemo na hunidie enkoso ye de honsam no ebebro na afe yakọ kan kwe central mrashe bedwani afefedie ya wode akoma Christian Council said ne Easter dedie ya yedie no wonso nye niema yi wonfa emwa niema eno ne nsem na no pay bede browser Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com ensem weni bebre so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de ensem ni chemu ankasa etie osofo ya wo local government chieftaincy and religious affairs Ora Ahmed Ibrahim enene wone asofo no nyina adodo no a ahia se wo msudi akotene wo mayi enkan komu ne chichu se yewura Easter dadie no emu no bese woni die mu a one more efrapa na wone asori medi nkomo a won kasa tichu nso emfa efini ho Adom TV kase etwaso
enti on the 3rd of May ye nyina etu ye ho agum na president si yema asofo nyina asonte ahemfo yenko all the palaces nkramufo yenko all the mosque any asoro no yenko all the economical churches na yema obia mfa Easter way emmo saa darobo no nti eno na ya sha ase ndi nti den ye ya ye yenwie ochena ye besan ato aso na yadi kan atro krata akoma asori ni mpanyimfo ni nyina nti Easter Friday Saturday Sunday saa darobon ebekoso
na no si ya pe na mpanyimfo a wonom ede soma hodo ano ahyebo se wonom ebetai National Sanitation Day no achi se de be ya oman mu ebedini.
So I believe that it's not just a national and civic duty, but it's also a Christian obligation that for us to take responsibility.
We want to assure you that as a church, we are ready to work together with you.
The Seventh-day Adventist Church continues to grow and expand its reach. It remains dedicated to advancing Ghana's national developmental goals. By working together with the government, the church aims to strengthen youth development, enhance societal values, and foster a brighter future for all.
Ene wo Easter ye muntino okan kwe central mrashe bedwani Patrick ya Badwam ono so de niema ahodo obi akoma Christian Council of Ghana se won monye no mfanye nsiesie ni ahoboa ewo Easter edanimo.
Oye Holy Week mo na I see a kai Christosomne Jumedia during this holy month. Na mejune ho say I say yesu yetimi bibi boa Christian community and Christian Council. Ti ade we dey bibi kito bi a me so me dey be support am. Na sorry bebre na e oman no. Yeah, you be sure na ya support Pentecostal Council no so during this period of Easter.
And wechi titireni of the Christian Council no Reverend Dr. Hiliad Dela Dogbe eda mrashe bedwani yasis wetimi aye wo musa adoye wetwemu se ebeboa pa e wo ndwumedi afeimu.
We are so grateful to Honorable Badwam for coming and recognizing all that the Christian community is going through in this season of Lent. And as you all know, Lent represents fasting and prayers and renewal and restoration in expectation of celebrating the dying and the rising of Christ, which is the central of our Christian faith. So coming to join with us in this moment is heartwarming. And we are so grateful to God for his life and for he has come to bless us with.
Yemfri ho na yemongra yensam foforo mu na meka say adan ahodo be duonum 50 de won chansen no apefri so ena dan edu enso de asai kura ama menipa be 300 de onya baby odu nti ebeto wabo number 1 and 2 e wadanse asokwa mansimu e wasantemantam
no media na dina yes an ntinu me kwatena ni mu nipa ba pa so no na ya mareho ti man kasa mi ti wodi mi ti mie ma no ti anope na me so le ye no ya mi hu se enra se de atu mi ni no amara wa se me so arade
abubu e jaale be bia ye da nyina ye mattress ye no ma nyina se se ye hu be bia ye kwa akoda ni be bia ye fa
se aban me boa ye se wo mo da so apa no obi ni ho mo ko benya edan ba ko ese one ne ma ana se wo mo nyina se ye ne ma kura agogum wo mo nyina yi ye ne ma agugu abonten a ewie be pie wo mba hata mu ti ye sra aban se o ma boa ye
assembly member wo kuro bia mu so e wa ha ye ne ono so ni nkomo na emisa assembly member se wo mo ho aka ehemfa e no de wo mo ekwa akoda
sisi edan a ebu a memfa se sisi de edan a ebu de maako edu de ni nyina ebu na de eso apepa so de ifi be eduonum e de kono so ni nyina so apepa me no ka se nipa be 300 nipa 300 sisi de umunya ba bi on beda sisi school for so e wo school Eastern so baba convention so edu enti ye be sere omo ka bi ewo mu sisi de ye be hwe se de be ya nipa 300 ye be pa bi amomo adakakra na omo ye convention wi a ya pe aso de bi amoma de ma to se omo ka bi omo boaye na sa nipa omo hwe omo japade sie no so enya ba bi ada
bidin
so na Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly penia wodano na de tudwa se womo ejeja wonyamoa mekire enwan ne mponchine nantwie titru mo ne nam kro no mu no oba ba chi wo mu nyina wo chi wo nso a na odo wa konodua fie onye ne enku wo mo no ama wo mu egu ho ntisa wo mpese e be chi no eku no animro so na yo ya hwese odo wo mbefa yie Adom kase etwaso
every first May ekon wo nantwie wo ye nantwie okumase ba bia wo pese wo ye ne bia wadaro ma koso ye no na ya no wakasa che wo nantwie no sama ma ne ntrahye emma kemi fo asasim ebize so ba be wura kemi asasim every first May no ekwa ye chena ye de ba koma prison for central prisons no mu de anu aduane no mu de adi enti wo pese wo nantwie ebe boa ye am ye fidi ye prison for na wama wonantwie no watena fie ana se so wura assembly fufu bia no aka chi se won nam ho a be ma no ma kiyeme ba bia ha adwen pa ne se we airport fefefe obi be fu wiem hyem oba o se okosanten no efi airport okọ ufa efi odi chem so me 5 na akọ na wo hwe foma nantwie no de o maye okwa mu no enye kura eti yentimi hwe sa situation no e ma ne enkoso eti wo nantwie a yeso efiti first May kon emani ma km baby a yehu nantwie bia ye be chi no
Omemu post sahine so na deto ne mrantie ne mbaba wona nim ne chichiu ne wona wo boko ne mpotamu se wo momba bomo nya den hihya akode no a se nipa bonfo bi kura ba won mo eso a won mom betumi ade won so enkunim Adom etoso
na wotwe awieye IGP Christian Tetenyohonu ene ne dom ekoboko a wone manfo honomu ekodi nhyiamu ekosere wonse sobo bi a wonomu abo se apolisifo ekum panyini a wodi wonomu emabunu kuo bi ano no onko akoma ento won yem san se obeye mu hwehwemu asiase na bra panyini efiri honomu no anche bi a ena apolisifo mienu a na wonom eti motorbike so a wani ekire binduri wokum wonom enam so ama police sahene Christian Tetenyohonu edi ababetu dwase sesei wabra apolisifo ni wonum abusuafo sema wonum enkoboko ene ne mpotamu afei apolisifo a wonum edi nkan wokrum honum a woye adwuma dada no homomodi ase ba bibiara wobekọ no wobehye entade a ebebo wonum ho ban na wonhwe nso se armored vehicles ebedi wonum achi abo ho ban se de be ya esan bia ento wonum se agina ya wasie eye kwan ya wofa so edi abo apolisifo ho ban se de be ya awrehusem a esi na wotwe wiye no ebi ensibio
Enkwanta South ye oti mantamo swafo ye Geoffrey Kenny ene wode to Electricity Company of Ghana ni mosre wo mopa ni kuro no mu de omo ye nyina mahode no entwa yi preso sa nti wosre wonya ne efata
ana oti region ya
electricity problem I idea we here and Quanta South it will Quanta South in one day it be my light on may 30-40 times in a day dear Quran dear Koso I ain't be where we say more yet on your services mamma near my say not to mountain ain't me yes ECG form pay for say regional say national be omuda enyinam kanea no I was on we odwuma say yes fatam the best say omo sorry ngina na ye light issues e won Kwantasa etimi agina so ye ka say fan mpo entimi ye dwuma do na adwo a etimi ma light of 20-30 time e ya dia e ha the security emra yo mo ye ya titu a ense say ye beda isu na sorry agina so bibiara oda enyinam kanea ano say a municipality say a regional say a national on sorry ngina on ye neduma
Ekokuma ya womra shebeje fie mo nso aye nyame so ade make say won e wo kantamanto a won e ma hye afrase emu no akoma won musika 200,000 Ghana cedi wonye on fanka ho emu adwuma no
It's your chairman Nkoboy oye 200,000 ye bibi kakra ayen Mighty Minority Caucus. And Kano 2 billion. Yazofa. Yenya Jerry Ahmed Nodo. Na yazamoma.
Enwachi enai nipa bi nso anasa de tonfo a wonso won ton ade na wodi wodwa e wo katamanto won sere se
ateti ndm se yakobebre mu na doye ne nso de amanfo be ya doye bebre na de ni abai yeda ye be kan se yeda won ase Adom kuma minority for yeda won ase.
Oh, the akoso many aso papa say Ghana mpanifo no nso adwene ye ho na emwa esese bia amode boaye yenso ye do mas ne aka kire Ghana men na say kantamanto asaba back
acho de metimi aka kire o say nyankopɔ won free suro musuro won hira o mo pa ba bibia o mo yi iska free ye no say o mo hu ye mobo no mo adwen ye ho no mo abaye adoye kasiese no ososo nyankopɔ won hira o
aso ye ni ti esra mo say ya hyase ti nipa no mra no mo to ade o ba osuro bie ni ha
ya fi eye katamanto edun amegye so eye ohene amponsa kakabo.
Director of Operations Ma All Needs Foundation Sanokrabia enimu so woje kantamanto ajadufuo wo mo adwuma afri wo mo ensam sese wo mo na ekra broni wawu niema bana dabi nokrabia ndimo Samuel Owusu secretary ene de nsemi etuja
onso se ye ne nkofo bi akoye baaku bi a ye gigiska pese niema bi a enye na ye de eba kantamanto ehonom eno enene ya ba kirikire mu akire edwama ne se all foundation ye dwumadi a aban ama ye ho krata yentimi emfa yentimi emeto edwane da ye ni AMA na eye adwuma ye ni fire service for ye ni ECG for ye ni empanyim aban panyim for na ye adwuma
Adwadifoɔ bi a wɔn fi kantamanto ɛba nhyiamu n'ase no ɛde to dwa sɛ
all foundation for so ɛnam akɔnyasa nyinaa ɛsoso no aboa edwa no ɛbɛla ɛhɔ no ɛhye ne titiru ɛwɔ telephone anaasɛ baabi a betimi aka sɛ hardware ɛfuom baabi a edwa no ɛtɔɔ ɛwɔ 2020 mu no
mo san educate yɛsɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔgye loan ɛwɔ bank na wode bɛhyɛ w'adwuma mu a sɛ wodi kan kɔ bank kro na wokɔyɛ enquiries said the beya will be interest rates na eda loan na wo gene so
mamenye no so na kasia na no pay the fancy ha midin de afia amankwa tamaklo de dus on yen komra na de bonkrata no online de no yen fanto so ekwaba yada se yasamo akwa ba biem do Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no eso yada radia se nenso wahu ye mobo ama de chenshoma fefe bi atomi no mie no eso de 16th April Eradia da se the audience free baby ade adru ne baby audio konti aseda ne yede ma wo yeda se pa nkwa hoden moja papa bi edi emu afu sane ne mframa e ka bia na ho a kawe senyame mframa e te se ayi utility bills ya kaba na ya increase e we de tua we ode ache free na wo ka se erade me da se na so ya ode so de ayaka go obi anya nei obi ehunu da no so otiase nkwa hodin kura wonko ade a fana seda ma no na ama na seda no edoso bebra wo so nhira ne nkwa bebre na unya ti ya kai national song edi ya fia amankwa tamaklo meni owura Bismarck akwasi nsia boaten legina be me na no payment ya da bia bokode nyankopon adom wahu ye mobo nti e kan ti asefo ho
Yesu amane hunu da na na ye
sa
kra enu fiada de na na ebesiesi
na si
akai me bra me ko Israel bani se na atwema adwene akwa akosi wo no
akoba ye se ye huwe
hu bebe me certificate ya ene se no bi ko meka e fe na laji no akosinsin bi won JP that Jerusalem pilgrim esumden so yeah certificate me kita no ye Israel abampenifo mienu and sign the minister of tourism and the mayor of Jerusalem.
Do the year there's an me patch o
JP
no dia na dia ye.
JP no ekuram se na mekuta a large title. Smaka obi come make a bar.
Ji wo dia na be ye.
Me de nam dia says ma be menye de brekese o nyamesom.
Na me da ye hu hwe no. Na dia na wo say nke ye hu sakra ye hu bibi dia na ba wa ye.
Asamba me ntomo na
enyen mo na to
de
nye no
mini obi konkon
dia na nkonya dia na ba dia beche wa becha ma ye
se me chenya se bra na me bo na manfo hwe so de asua mana mo nto papa na me tutu no se me ba ye ni ma pa ani abrabotene ne na me bo no ene nkofo hwe so a mo esua what mo asebo ne oba bia na ontie ye de nyame ase teacher say manfo ehwe me be ye JP sakraya ba me nyame som me Kristo som so nyo bia na fie ko Israel
onya JP
onya certificate no kra
sa
enyo bia se na se penfo ko ya mo hwe
onya JP na say say o de kan di no
yes ti JP no wo JP no ti nei ye sem dru Israel bonten so a ye recognize me
so
se me ye JP
ya embassy ho na akra where you wo ho da JP ne ka ho
na akọ River Jordan so a medinda ho
akodwarim
enyim dwarim keke
esubo nti Jordan no
yes
oh wow ni I reflect because the out say dem hu no sa no akọ Jordan mu aba na say ya de a I say osa akobie ni ente ho enti no ya nyaage de but seriously obaye no the same akosinsia na mi yi say de no wo chechire mu yi me hu hwe ti se we kọ Jordan aba na say ya because me hu he seriously me hu she kwesi
dia na peso
na dia na Jordan mu na wo dia ne si ye nti ese me hu bibi na say ya de say ya
o dware Jordan mo kala nsese nimni ti na me nimni ade peso
da bi nya kala no
ti peso hu dia ti na pese mu
dia nti na ko mu Jordan dia ne before me wura mu ya kan sanje dia na ba me hu he na me ken
say abuburo no be si ma betini wo and if you see papa mo na be ho
me na say radio for ya chia mo ya mamwa kwa ba ya gidi ye se mutie de ekro nyame adom nso nti obia ho ye CEO ora Alfred Amono adwuma efo no pe ya chia mo enim se mo bodwuma ne den mo koso ma fidie ne na ho na pani no ono de eba ye no yenim na adwuma ye nti se wutie ni station no a wonim de obetumi aye waboa bebre ti ye na se nti JP kum Jordan then Jordan Bismarck ever Jordan nkan we su bonte Jordan
nkan
edeba ma
akosinsi
nya de open na unya de open na unya kaba na oni kuremu enti enne ya wachire mu JP Jordan Bismarck akosinsi a ona gina ho no tu busa ne ya chirem JP ne chire
Jerusalem pilgrim
so wahu the title nya small asana Jordan no Jordan nye ayu Jordan ne mum esu bonte Jordan no eno ene ka no ho no nti menchia wo penny so penny dia yankoso
dia yanko
se ko yeah tafo no omu ko se meso so onya ready abrana kwa kura ya kwa ya now enti wo a hotels na ya ma ya wo don't worry wo ka na kura ti medam because ya jina musa nti no nano kura ma abapokia kind of people sa no ono asanyum na bo betimi asasa gira na asanko a obetine ni na abo ahomache no nan yi no num afin wo hu say because wo hye ehono na crowd mu hu esum ne adechiye ti nyame ya dom a ya hyase kwawo na de be na ye de no e so wutwa send the draw no so be baso by this time as a when you are to challenge 1000 ebi wa kura na bi a wo wutwa unya ta wo be say timi anyo so wutwa
we are to hear with me to forward wa kwa ba
do be kwa ba
wo de mu wasa
mu nwa from Accra high
1000 betimi atwa wa kwa ba
depends on maybe how free so body and here star 281 hash star 281 hash option here 4 be do fu twagum twa nyinya wani bebre to me ade no gina kire ne ye boy bo number ni shem
o mechi no
moti for ne kam
efie nka ho
sade na nye
efie fo nka ho
efie fo se so okay nya we me nka sabe go bi akra tricks no me busha fo ne twa makoje ma ade
muntwa na munye ntuwa ba me
okay muntwangu star 281 hash utwa option here 4 ya sha no so ya na mo mese ya wadum ti ha ya tv no ba ne fa tv option there 4 ya na mo fa radio there no there bi fa tv there no nti agokansie first draw beba asemidi kan second draw pensem third draw 1000 Ghana 5 10 5 10 5 10 utwagu sa wani so wadi nti no back to kwawo no Dope Nation omu ginam live and colored amrantie no wo dene pa nwumre de besunyo mo nko a dodo no anso ba na ye ba local news no magye mefo na ekase kwasi eno a news ni de by Ghana Medical Association say ya pomde adwuma efo oboko omu free
anyum ko teacher for kra nyina
obia because chale so be wi de be ba so na ba kokra ye mehu kra ne say omu epra na de omu ko hospital no se no wan doctor wunim hwia woto eje ayaresa ma obie wan ye careful a onu mu are drawing to conclusions I say wo obi afa wo obi afa what you say enti yeso omu free ho and na wo do obi e kɔ ho na kura wo no not better wako
I'll see a jammy and fa aban many be uncle for now me and fa aban many be uncle yeah uncle risk it e be better say betimi so you mo free one mo anka yempe kwan e nyom fa free ho no
ani apa ino kura ka GMA o kan mpo ni risk it ye you omu free odo omu ko be foforo tel se ne ma na se yetiman mu na se ekromu na se say na akwa kodura na se e ha dwen se so dishie bi kura ayi adwuma e wo ho a oyam hyehyero because unim ho na ipa bonfo bi bobo nchimo pa akotata no ka kura e kwa no bo mo sam because omo suspect say bia why yes ceremony die mu to the point say even IGP kura nso say na mema no
to etu kura bo IGP why be
na IGP so etu omo fo no
ye nsuro IGP atutu aboneka mu dia
omo fa akode ne hye won ho amoka sane ni wanim no wachi so won ne kodu sa point we na anu aye den akwahye no so ya na ho am etu no munya no wo he adu so ya sa
I think say boko de nem say nyekroma phone ne disa abone bebre
no mu fi
ati be yeah e wa ho bi abefra
obi di no ho abagim na sasa
because the way na ekono I doubt say kromani be ni pa so di onu ankasa ne nua abone pa se
yes wo nim se ni nua
the way na fi omo tutu no the major is how about be friend.
Are you serious?
Maybe they need to start shoot and kill.
Hey, would they trust so? I'm
not
would they yen try no so na.
They will prune power
and they had drink. But you can't say no so. No will be to one no so. Yen maybe and some fata. But so ni nyina mu no April 28th. What take course so 24. And so be na o masum diaba. But a hard drink. Asem de mu odin. A hard drink. Pa 28 you know ne nan de boko no a boko conflict no doctor directly attacked fine someone am work on here king
voter regional minister that come no
kan ya kan kura oti ora keni e ko basa dum na so serious
o kana man for the year manyo 7 there's a challenge we need to fix it. We thank God say a government appointee NEC.
Yeah, a hardware.
Ti yentimi fan koye NPP NEC bi. This a government representative man peni na msi ni wo mantem. Eno ka say afedi abroso. Se ne nkane na edundundundum no. Mi wa ya to nkane abo. Nkane abo ya to.
Na what observe say every time increment be ba na ho na
sabre na dum so ano ye den. There's a challenge wo yi CG.
Dear some.
Ye amanyo sem ne mfem free mo. Ni fix the challenge no. we are NPP ni be bombs adum so aba na this ni be so defend but what sum there's a challenge mo be nyine nka bom yesigi mpanifo no adwumefo no ebi modern mo nso ani ebi modern mo enso ani yene etno ma yesigi timi dika 68 billion Ghana cedis nkani anyese ye de che kani a yetwa hoka aka chem se me kogia na no na energy minister say okotamala manfo wi anka na timi menyende enti menyende wana mama manfo wi asa anka ne an adwumefo no but ade e down say sa ba menyi nkrofo adi the manfo feel relaxed but fear because yes PDS now on the challenge but America krana PDS bedian you hunsunsun between ECG and PDS but na the same adwumefo na America crave na PDS by no ye hunsunsun between ECG and PDS but man fight me whole through the same adwumefo na because of the mentality
sa ban de
the mentality ya na womunity. This is where we should go to. Mr. ECC said the man crankra and yemi but maybe we just have to fine tune it well because it has the national security implications. And cannot be a question ball. One day we'll do Jubilee as a man. Okay, therefore, daily graphic the work time. It was what the Minister of Finance, funny about Dr. Kasia Tofosin. Now, see, I can say Ghana binding IMF on Sashi, a pamkrata, see, I must say, IMF penny for the share committee released $370 million. And Ghana by as part of your contract, no more, no emo. Gold board revokes gold dealers license. If you to gold were Ghana in a license, they see a trim.
Okay. To
be any license, so from on it, so free Ghana, or be any license, so makes me to good. Ghana, apart from gold board. Daily graphic, I don't know. The Ghanaian publisher, Galamsey exposes Sam George hypocrisy. And you see, Galamsey no, after the man Sam George nyach no abem. You see, Sam George Korea na abra na endi so position. Almost say, Sena kufa the niya brepa, kabosumi ba kontem. Kubeti mi a stop Galamsey. So I say now no Sam George ne Benadavle, airtrain mo City TV. Osu abosumi a sent me fan stop Galamsey. No so nyachum sim say ya. Near to Tonsa, oh, my women. Yes, you don't come out so quiet, doye, at the Macantamanto, when the jar show me, man. Watch your music 200,000. Only been so cook, 400,000. A cut to the enemy. The one and that's a 4 billion. That is a canon, 4 billion. I mean, and it's a best idea more. Sikaya bow. Munye, Munche, oh, dear, okay. Woman, no cremrem, dear, okay. Because it can't be a Kumasu fund the affair no dear neighbor, Bacantamanto Hono. When your pa. Oh, yes. When your pa. When you scapa papa. Omoka Muntimenka. And I tell the end day. Munka. Na more Saba. When your near my moving sheets near dear cement. Just say, men passa that to be basic. Ah, met to say. And na. Ah, the nipa be ya near Yama Cantamanto. I been so Kumasi Street. It's a kind of phone da group no ano. Munche chane kama. Munsi sibibia ubia munye kapre. Ni wia mobu akonta de ka yeni. Nti ene yemfa we say. Na we say be yen so age so join ni ku no. Oh yes. Nti wo be hwe obi a won join no na da che won hwe ha. So wo unya bi because unya member dia wan hwa unya but no so na aya because ye dia ba say wo mo a e ko se ye makai bia eno na ho na ya na problem na be da hu wo mo na mo nyina ewu sa because bia na nya ko ma na nyina so na mo ne ma hye na bi obi onyo ko na ne ma hye enso this is case so akwa amakuoma sikokoma omo ne ma hye sa ene ya asemo tubo so bia na mesika na be wie no na ne chena ye nwo if you see NPP echo crunch meeting okay Professor Mike Okwe committee report afina I already okay ntine asembisi ABC isikura ade ba chiama the Ghanaian publisher the Accra Times you know the company His Excellency John Dramani Mama Fodi Abba also support Feed Ghana program President Ekachre Ghana this year nyina say feed program na aba ye nyina fe enyim se na be ya ye tonko so enkra nwan bebre efa free microphone so emfa ma omai emum beware of the Boko conflict don kuma na kai so be sere aban Sabam ne na ho ye pa oboku basabasa na ekoso no emu. The new publishers, you know, they came and made your funny abba. Kizuba's new law. My men will flock Kumasi traders like school kids.
Hey, Yehovah. Yeah, I know I did.
For selling on pavement.
Because and train on the Nam said the news for
any another part. But we for selling on pavement in count. We say the worker time. For selling or say new pavement or say unso ufa eduma Dr. Sekwam despite anyone. A quite fin say baby and I was saying flowers aces. A good phone at Traco Gina in Yidija. Was a sour on a dear. For the start.
Abaye, you were through. And I'm one then tree moja on and Quamusa. You bet you was a prison. I want your number that day, then you'll be fair. We bet him because once he said news and we are a won't see. What was the time last song? JP Jordan. And for see how that Roma position a song. Because I allowed you Uncle Baba and Cadano, so many means I don't hear him. Mumianka, JP Jordan Bismarck, I could see. This meeting, dear fear among quarter maclo radio for soup. Yet your mamma quaba, your damn mumre, my dad, ye easter no one, ye ray, radia drum, the double pet, it commit. Or then my minum unity. See, Miss Row, ya does it. How dear me and Sacranicas of a barqua. Eh, where the penny? A muaya. Yamia, dear, that's it. It should be so to Ghana embassy. Wakoto. Wakoto. How? Oh, he Ghana embassy. What on how? What on $1.5 million. What on day? A money woman. Say how? I don't know you. Next walker. Any penny. And I know your staff. Or your ambassador Nagasa. I know the new publisher. The new publisher. Wakoton Ghana embassy. And to say man arrested for selling Ghana's embassy. South Africa. Siko Sika, star 281 hash. Trying to see a year called Kwesibu Diba na Odia Twaso. Yeah, that's it.
Right, fantastic morning. I was saying, watching Wakwaba. I'm not saying I would even some 12 so 7 you can see. Ya me can 7 a dozen. Yes, a fata salt in the back. It's a say, I need to do Rebia, none of paying so is ya concom, edgy home bam bam yo. Yes, Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fini wholesale appliances and Wajaboso and Yasam Kitwakra. Then, of course, Design and Technology Institute. Become one some dear show. Bernard Paddy will be producer. Yana Wakadi Nankasa can cage one home. Erica Sidu Buadini, Besha Sente Paso, and the Befide UEFA Champions League and ultimately say yes, and come back Bia Amaso. The home sides try some baby Bia the Lax Vaston Villa in Dortmund, but the first leg results play a very huge role. Our annual games anymore. When him said now already Paris Saint-Germain first leg in our Bogumuniti pa Mediama Aston Villa bought 3-1 in Tina ama Jumana den Sansona Bassa in the first leg a Bogu Modema Borussia Dortmund by 4 Tina Dortmund a Prebien for Dortmund bought Bassa 3-1 and I think so Aston Villa bought PSG 3-2 wins by but never pass no way. Yeah, correct. Those two games, no, I see a quiet. Right? And so, Anra, see quiet, no. And 5-4 on aggregate, Paris Saint-Germain through, Sansona, Borussia Dortmund, 5-3, Barcelona are through over Borussia Dortmund. Tikashana so South Now, and there are big games, yes. That's Inter Milan, Bayern Munich in the first leg. Inter Milan bought Bayern by 2-1. And Tiaberson and Ebesia call Italy. But Bayern tonight feel me 2-1. This is a very close call. You know how Bayern Munich back into this game. Nothing shown. Real Madrid versus Arsenal and Suarez Besiako. That is the biggest game tonight. Sans Ultimus San Madrid and Niabre back. Now we are defending champions of the Champions League. Almost the most successful club in this competition. Almost 15 times. And also someone's now master and you move in first leg 3-0. You know how the second leg Besiako and they're talking about that game or no Mikel Arteta only a head coach at the Arsenal or Sequan Biaso when you are ready for that game tonight. Wow, and only and some Mikel Arteta the two. Now Thomas Partey and our Belgian midfield general in the first leg, you know, a very instrumental or almost 3 goals almost say anymore and net DNA Basso Partey 70. Thomas Partey. So Real Madrid more weaknesses now to media punish Madrid but Jude Bellingham. What also midfield at the Real Madrid. Jude so cast ahead of that big game. All right. when we shall produce a performance the fans of Real Madrid be proud of. Well, you better send your best next 7 p.m. live on Adom FM, live on Asempa FM, a live commentary, and you could feeding in a PM or Dansoman exhibition, me patrol HR residence a Pampum rooftop lounge, a hot night commentary by the Dansoman. No, be out than someone and important than someone in 18 who by big exhibition everywhere. Bomram Yen Tala and I Ray, our HR residents. But here Yan Twas this year, HR residents. Yes. Fantastic. Time up. Real Madrid bay come back. And I say Arsenal and I penny Real Madrid down in a final. This is very final. Yes. Rooftop lounge, our HR residents, our Dansoman exhibition. People say next year. And on the 16th of April, Wednesday, Real Madrid now started the winning. And this is where they're winding it up after the hard day's work with Point Juma. Join us at the rooftop lounge of Dansoman. And pass our live commentary in Real. Drum 106.3, Asempa 94.7 FM. Today, Kedora Kasari Kasiri Wedi, and then Task Force and then also they are launching it. UCL Fun Day, yes, you're launching it. Should I tell on the 31st of May? And the UCL Fun Day, bro. Yes, my resident Wednesday. Wow, a honey echo. There was she a honey echo. It's a Dansoman for 118 more near the idea. And at the end, you can say a call OBBR. People from far and near, but and senior Dansoman for pet, you know, when you have been bend, you know, Kaswa, the command, you know, Munamumra, my insurance talent, and you bring yes, Real Madrid between me, yes, nothing, and Aston, a year Real Madrid, after that 3-0 commanding lead in the first leg. Franco Train Enterprise, from about 4 can one of paying and some no brewer, and of course, *281#. Select Adom TV, Nancho Sika Nano Pay, *281#. Select Adom TV, Nancho Sika and Nano Pay. Wow! And that may 1,000 and Sanamako 1,000 Ghana cedis. Easter, the crash bottom. Easter is coming. Each something small and put into your pocket. Come up, now Emra Fee never had some Kakreko fee now. 8 regional football associations and Nizan Navara pickups pa and the Ghana Football Association at the regional football association and unfortunately a FIFA Forward program initiative or more Nancy Care by no Omodia Buana regional associations no to me Abwa Adiom Hunjuma. Na cars here, they are more to me, and they are up and down. Kakrania, they are about $262,000 and the fees of FIFA Forward funds at the buy.
The pickup trucks that you see here today didn't come for free. The pickups indeed cost us money. The 8 pickups you see here today cost us $262,224 US. FIFA Forward money comes in a straight jacket. FIFA Forward money is not used to buy second-hand cars. FIFA Forward money is not used to buy hidden mattresses. FIFA Forward money is not hidden money. And it's important my colleagues in the media do learn what we mean by FIFA Forward money. It's important people learn how to report the truth. I've always said that truth would always win the battle. If you lie, lies will come after you. If you lie, lies.
All right, President, Ghana Football Association, Ketso Kreku. Now, Brona region, Upper West region, Central region, Western region, Eastern region, Upper East region, Volta region, Ashanti region, Wemuni Efisinya, Kas, Nebi, Design and Technology Institute, say the Master and Co School, Rametenefi, Sua Okwa, Yama, the skill, Yama, ideas, Obabontia. Ubaya no hit the ground running, a competitive space. So we need something new and something different from the old market anymore. Unya by being eno na Design and Technology Institute diaba atimpacho woni omunisa so isi amebom number no dia ma o yenko akopie mu 120 AFCON wa Ghana yigina mu dendenden ye your group C and ye hwani mo se betumi Badwam pa Egypt ne ye kwakopie ne ye ne reigning champion Senegal and DR Congo and Central African Republic na de pim so our group C. Salifu Fatao assistant coach the Ghana na 20 team ahead of a tournament in September.
Within this week, my plan is basically Hanum tournament may start 27th. Hanum at least we'll play this week. My plan is from 1 or 2 friendly matches above and sana competition and I think this is the plan they say traveling for us for now. Most of them almost start here from all African games till now. The only challenge I'm regrouping the boys and preparing them. But I'm going to say, if I am there, Yatimi, Aqua Morocco, Aqua Bimu, actual more. So I think the challenge is not too much.
I think the challenge is not too much. Assistant coach and 20 in some of the two and no, now yeah, kind of no, and there, yeah, say matches, a bit few outstanding games and there say Basso, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, one more edge on 9 super so many Accra Lions and the Pims. So Prosper Nete Ogum, a head coach at the Makoroko, ahead of the Accra Lions match, in 7
We are very prepared after our last game that we played. We've tried to have a recovery session. Unfortunately, we have to be on the road the following day. So there's still an element of stress in terms of fatigue within the players. But then we have to be ready for the game on Wednesday and play. So we are ready in terms of what we have to offer on the field. Tactically, we are ready. If you look at Accra Lions, they are a very good side. As at now, they are not in a good standing on the league log, so they look more motivated to play and win, to be able to get themselves out of where they are now. We are also very determined to play and win. So.
Wow, Prosper Neteo Gumet coach de ma Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko now. As of the Adriana Stars, also the ball out Doma Aristika Chioba, what on head coach de my Adriana Stars.
Talking for you is not important from who play. I need go and the same fighting, the same spirit from the win, the same sacrifice inside in the pitch from not lose the game. This is need, no problem. You play from Hasofo, from Kotoko, or from Holy Star, or from another club. Need the same concentration, need the same fighting, need the same spirit from aggressive, from possible collect the points. The player need to understand is the game from home. Our supporter is coming to support us and is paid the ticket, maybe 10 CD, 20 CD from.
Well, Aristika Chioba, head coach Adriana Stars. Set to say, it's here kind of man Hasofo. Ahead of that game against Adriana, Onosoa Kasakakra.
Everybody is full of determination, confidence. You can see excitement from the camp. So I think we are here to compete. So let's see what will be the outcome. Yes, our coaches, they are fantastic. And yesterday we did recovery and we did some tactical, tactics. So I think that is what we're gonna transfer into this game ahead. So I think there's happiness in the camp for what the coaches have told us. What they told us during the training session, that is what we need to, transfer into tomorrow's game. So I think with togetherness, unity and everything, I think we can.
Wow, set or say. Yeah, just an official no city here, March 22, and yeah, clear at the few other on our screen to see I share sending see at here now. My Brecum Chelsea away to Young Apostles. Some text and Carella and airborne now between United goal start by second vision. Adriana Stars, they have to focus on airball out of Lions and Medium and Nations need dreams. Will be a beautiful game. Accra Lions, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's here say some matches in back ready a few na yako yanim our Ghanaian Premier League anymore. May a draw. Star 281 ash. Patro select Adom TV. O select Adom TV. But could be a 5 Ghana series. May a draw and Sanama come 1,000 Ghana series. And Tishan for South Mami. Yanko a man of ball boom in the Malta Guinness Women's Premier League. There's relegation playoff, Southern Zone. Second Bias on the 19th of April. The Basso Magnan Teshi Sports Complex. Na Yashe Senate playoff no. and so basso on our screen yenhwe playoff no onsam kakra na yenkoye nim they say police ladies almost so any northern zona champions ampem da kwa and the pem so playoff finale na yahwe se kwambia so hwan and they winning the WPL this season enti patrosha nso sa efa emamme ewo ho onmo Franco Trading Enterprise Nokia Samsung every phone obenya bi ewo Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa feeling or from 02462 422 sorry 0246422338 and 055-593-9311 now on a Francophone come App Store Play Store with my download your app on francotrading.com and one episode to be a bit my order na ya day abrewo CCTV camera ne home appliances washing machine no mama kaka ne de omo etene tekra ne dia patrocian so Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fee pa and Design and Technology Institute. Yes, almost 2025-2026 admissions now. Course CCI easy cry innovation, animation, sound engineering, photography, entrepreneurship. And near my home, they are bad. So oba job market no home cry because that's a tell. I'm a new idea, sir. What the baby remuna can be asked to me from 054-169-3534. 054-169-3534. Now the Design and Technology Institute. And it's also na ekoji nimdie. Now I'm so me mount 2 minutes now the kakregum. I'm out 2 minutes na for kakregum. A rolly fadi urem. Yes. Start with one hash. Select Adom TV. Aha. Back here 5 cities. Fakregum. Fakregum sisia. Fakregum sisia. Fakregum sisia. Fakregum what gum. Okay. Now yan call the gum yan so wait media. 5 4 3, 2, 1, who wins it? Yes, 00025 7411 something. I bet you so 1,000 Ghana cedis. Media chow. Yen cost to see any and say 1,000 abetum, 1,000 abetum. Okay, abetum. Yen frost see yen frost see na yen say kwambia so. And yama betimi akoyi di ama o ya. Obu wa asan lack ba say ya atiesim say no be disa. Me catch you say twa. And we penny draw by ne ewo Badwam so. There's another draw upcoming. Because since you have another draw, at Impacho, because we bigum we am far, the eba no be far. You know what the frost is here and your fro and far. Fantastic morning, yes, fantastic morning. I know can say watching it in live. My man MC War. Yes, MC War. Season Doctor Pa, one of my favorites. MC War, fantastic morning going out to you. Your chow nano pay pa, that's a sour shane and then I pay MC War. Right, fantastic morning. I was congratulations, you're frozen.
Good morning, you're very Manuela Lion because I fear do crow.
Hey, Manuela, I do crow.
Hey,
Manuela, I'm trying.
Me 25 cities.
Hey, 25. And I hear Beguso.
25 cities.
I hear Beguso.
Oh, but also
when you are J, I hear Begu phone so.
1,000 cities.
Hey,
1,000 cities.
Emanuela, when the first time I will try Biana?
When the second time I meet her.
First time we try.
First time we meet her 10 cities.
Hey, and now we watch 25.
Yo.
Wow. Manuela, I want to say what you plans to be a good one. Then I 1,000.
Papa, because my many that's a really make us so be at our own shop because I don't see before we are real.
Wow. 1,000 you the bed then, okay?
Me dey for come sikavu. The music I me dey store there me dey come work for 5 niama.
Wow. Yeah, that's it. Cause Adom TV. So I say no believe no labalaba. No believe you. We are crown. No can say almost a fair real pa. Tiwadi. Also wait medi. There's another draw upcoming. And see, cause since about best another draw. Fabigum. Edisika. To the 25 kwan idea. Now wow the 30 and now 50 and 100 begum. Yes, all your number no. Or number never draw somewhere dear. 25. The other strategic. What the 5 in trouble. Why? What about quatum 1. Yenisa 1. Want to say maybe so baba one ba waka no bi dia bechim na wo de na threaten ba bia machine be fa bia kunkron na twon aba so na 25 na kwa na die na 100 na 150 na 200 na odi pacho fa krakum ne dina no pay live e wo Adom TV so e be gina so na dia session so na nwumre ma yenhia me commentary position me kotoja yes our HR residence Dansoman exhibition rooftop lounge. Yeah, but now you made live commentary there, bro, by 5. Near set up brother 6 near your warm up 7 near take you off near the commentary now, bro, live on Adom FM and of course Asempa FM. Padibu Chemi producer. Yana wakai ed nankasa kankejuane ho. Eric Asiedu Bwadidi. Pacho ya pomuni unsamo shimu ha. Iwi adi akabeto so koso hebedwam.
Mame mwakwa ba na mena wasende nsomra Adom TV Badwam health tips so media fia amankwa tamaklo na wotwi mu onkan ye ho juada ne bnada don't worry koma yedie no say protect my little lungs e yankra ne na kasa no oni anu ode be kasa na ofa nimdifo so kasa fi say ye force nkra no mo maduane be wi eche ne hinam ne hwinim wo festal yes wo be di wani uni wane bedi ya ye bia nyame adom ti ne ya maleti ase ene yesua de mesro mfoso wakra no wame awome unless akra no onidi kra mane so atihwim eno de enimdifo no ha Fanibra hospital said de ombeye fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic nintine ne yaba piku na wotwe mu yedi nkomo afa nkra no said ye feedi wo mu a ye feedi wo mu ye yam position mu ya e de o ha bro mu krampo amines kache se timi kumo eyampa odi metime kan story bebre oba na so yemu akwaba na ye nase eno ama ye courses no enen so ye hwe signs and symptoms
okay actual endra course ne kabako
okay
campese me de shim
oh faka ho
oh courses no endra me kan se na ye position kola ye force yo mo na ye mo jane ade ba kon so ayesen ye hu ne se etusi bia drink bottles mama for ye pa mocho mpempi no ye man kwala no bottles no inti se si ho na bibi wo mo no na dwene se ye nsuo na dwene se ye drink inti okonom ebewe etire no na wakọ nom mama fon be dwene se ye sister wo nom bibi sa ye ma wo engo ene bidie na o ma o musa de no kokko sese obefe na afia ni mu no ofe no ebi betumi akọhye na hawa ya mu na de another how because ekọhye mu a ya hawa no eyemfa mape washing powder ne sa niema na ekogu mu no e de hawa na bi na ebre
okay ene ye hwe ye ya no anuane ye adwuma kese no sa de ne de especially sa bleach no hu kura ni nsuo no kala na ye pe ti de o ken bottle wa nsuo ma ye no 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 wo de bi gum na wo si nneoma na wo ja akra no wo ho a obekwa akofa no because onim se no na ye de ma no nsuo ni ade nti mesrɛ mo muntie ensemi ye odo ye nto aso ne hwe signs and symptoms
wo se mpempi no akwala no ufidi na ebi akogu na hrawa mu wo se ohome a ensiso na nani ayesa ubehu no nso so na afede ne ho or sweat or tin fifre san we be sound say another na e koso amebe we are lucky I won't say be fini hwenim eba one ya lucky na wonnim say akogu ho no na be say ohumi ensi so be ka say me fidi ni wi amede ne to ho me yo ho me kose me kohwe me kohwa ohumi engina so na waye ebinom to me sensen one hwe ni ya obe kompo na oba no
wow feeding keke one feeding ye to me the way ba ana se wujija liquid UBCC wo no a eno so to me the way ba wow me kai pass am say London be 2-3 years ago parent bi oya mo ye Ghanaian so so feeding e basa na e bro so ya che no I was surprised oh adai until say what can we and I just say
enkwala hu hia wa buhwewa hu ni mankwala ya number 1 priority wa buhwe nti se woye bibi na akwala no bibi koto no a yetumi si o Ghana na ye mbra ne ntisane nti
Ghana hakwan so bi si ye
Adinam fidi oba ye behwe na akwala no ho aton ba brochi a nka ye wo ye hwe akwala no ma
na wo de wedu ya chew
bia wedu
wow o chenya mbo e beto aso enti eno ha ne yaka no ukona uba wahu se wa fini hwini mo ba ma wani na ho ekyina ne ye behwe se koba ne sa den na wo se me ye wo fie because me sure se koba ne se ya ya nso ma desine ne ye ne in-laws no ne ade ya ye ho edru e wo fie kyina kan ye ho na ye nto aso fa sedama endpoint homeopathic clinic nti ene ye wo piku Kolebu Teaching Hospital yedi sa enkomo efia amankwa tamaklo nkwa hoden wo ho chena ebesehia yada se yamo akwa babie Adom TV Badwam dwumadi so yada se pa mrani adaje awde amaye megidi yese mabatan ni nyina ne mematan ene grandma ne nannies mu nyina wiki mu follow health tips no mumie ntie ni ye pa because komona ye di ne de ekoso ofie bia mu so obewo ba woni die ewo ho pa amma ne nuane ni nyina bi amma ne colorful bowl table akra ni ni na wo yire no force no me do futie health tips no 5 minutes se be ya betwe ho afiro ho kakra bi obede bi ye force no wo force no enko na akogu lungs ni mu na the problem abrakra na etumi kumo nso tie ceremony die mu a mumie ntie Kofi Ampedunom ne Welbanom ne Thomas ne Richmond omo mpe health no ba akokora chese so de ma ayi mebubu no musisi na omo rush health na mbetie na beboa mo muntie mama ye kasasa munya careful ayi na wa hai your friend say 3p omuntie omo fa yeko ebutu dia na afia na no doctor eno na adwuma pon ameko na no mosquito afreme afia doctor na ena masa ya muntie health ne die ntwam enya aduane no nko ane ntwam health ne ntwam onua tie bi na mu aye nyina utie a enku wantie na utwam a bo wanza na agensem timeda se make wanya aso tie me na obo health ho ban o apomuden o hwedie 3p garlic mixture ne si table you should come pure natural health for edro ba kope no ana wo no mo se be ya we Easter no be come na Ringway Gospel Center and I say Adabraka District Assemblies of God and there ye share Easter no ase 6 p.m. or Holy Hill Chapel Adabraka to biamra so penny Reverend Benjamin Tete one so for Mama Grace Tete anope mechiamo didi yesenya miado obia honye esi eduan so na etim ne duku fe obaba birthday meet onkwaso menchia wa no medase bia boko na miado ho efe nso medase duku iwa na boy ho nya na boy migidi April 4 dey bibia possible sa pepe na Dr. Nelson Mutoti ne ho ye miadom na pomede ya na Santa ono branch yo mefem kakra business ni meeting na agena possible but obeye ne ho abefem epoyi madam ma yentie 3p sa pepepe onsani a Dr. T edi nkan kan ye no enya aduane pe na abetwem Sister Sandy B oh yeah guy oh tudin akese Dr. T yo edepa ene aduane ko ene yenka se ntwem wudi aduane no na de nyarewa nso so ede tire eba nti e ka apode no asemo a na wagina ho na watie bi medentia sonko efipi work natural health asoye ede ema Adom TV ahwefo nyina onse ye wo Easter month mu nti ebepie ni ade ebedidi nnuane ni ade na yebepie na yekodidi ni yekogi ye na wuntimi mmon wo na se wuntimi ensore nkode eya na eya asefim ye pa nti anopei ebia na obi ehwe me ne maame bi ne wo fa bi ne papa bi ne nua ba bi ono akasa mu ne ho emfa ne ho dodon edampem a me ne wo kasa ya Pastor Dr. Nelson sisia na eni no eni ankomo na mjimi de ye pa se obehwew na wojade bi e wo so bia no watimi aboa wo na afiri wo so nti Fred Doctor 0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 Fred Dr. Nelson sisi ana kone didi bi eda so ana yade bia wontimi nda na dwo wuti fa ne ade a ha obi ano fre na obeboa wona yade bia no waji edi afio so ene de ye be ka ne January akose Easter mu ne ewo no kwa akogye ye ni ade kose wo se wo bombo yare wa no so se ne be ya obeya aso na watie no apedu party 3p garlic mixture anom na wapom aye woden na watimi etu anamo aye adwuma agewani amo ababon akoso tote ede amount 3p garlic mixture for general well-being se ne ada ye ka no ebustu we immune system
so you be a water num 3p garlic mixture eya na won tan complain say menyare nso me ho dodo me ho mfa me ya krado si ebepi na fe na beto na anse ma kire say o me de miti ase menyare se me de me feel vibe no pa cho da bi so num 3p garlic mixture be active be boost immune system no ama ba bia ye kubia obedi achi ene yakọ ama anidie awie peye e na afensi yenso wo hypertension mojambo so won se mojambo so de ba ho so a eya na enkraw ewo kwan so ebia wu dware wudun so aguotini mpum wo hwe wa wo na wo sene no ti se wo obi a wakoma ba pere pa kuma timi ya tight na wuntim ho mintimi ti so ne ade a na wape ho asem aka wape dupa no 3p na wanom na bibia akoso ye ede amount e na menstrual cycle ye month ya ya dream ebia na adwoa o month o menstrual cycle na duru ho ye ba be pia fe na obegya adwoa obeg mark de fie wonyina 7 month no eduru so obekam o menses ebebe wa ya se eba be dwao wachi ebe ya wo ya wosisi ebe jo wanusu ebe bru wo be fie sebe mpre adwansa wo be gya wo nan ne ade wontimi kura ni dobu abe 1 week 2 weeks na adwane enka na no misra wa dan tina ho emma menstrual pains anasa menstrual cramps endi wunya num 3p garlic mixture ebe boawo eyiya wodie ni nyina afiri ho ama wonya wo fa hodie yenso ye de no emma bebre eba dot emwani nje mepacho emuja sufia wose besne kwani ye de a ye ne a emma kra se wonya 3p garlic mixture ebe boawo e release ama flow no etimi abesne akọ ama ho ato diabetes obu a diabetic patient ya na ma asem mobo montare hye mana montuo monante modide bibia esesa ede mamo mesra so obi a diabetic patient a ya na ata no 3p garlic mixture beboa wo hu moja anim ede amount ama bibia etimi awie peye ama na asthmatic patient obu a wotimi ebowa uwa ha eni yeji meke kumase yeji a obete ne nkase wa bowa obowa sana ni mpemu eye ne ya ne minimu ehhehye na akomemu ehhehye na moja ene flames edi akire eba mesrewo entina ho emfanya akwadworo 3p garlic mixture enom na bibia enkoso ye emfama eni ye ne yeta complain sana anse ache ananse aso ye mu ha ananse aso ye na onye langard onye sojani onye pusini yade umoja and blood circulation e wose umoja ni dia fusa na ewu ni padua mu no na entim eni afusa na ebia na clottings ba na sa heart tissue bi akoka ewo veins ni mu enu nti na umoja no entim eni afusa na so na 3p garlic mixture eno a ebeboa ma umoja na timi edi afusa na ye ama titiriye na ya na wonsa na asa wona ne ye no ebeto obetwa ama wonya mfa nwode sa wota ho ema wona ya na asa wonsa ta titiritia stroke kwan so na wona stroke so de nya wa ya ngwase ya de pa ade bia be beji sebo amomu ji so obi boa wo sebe so be kwa wo so ji so obi boa wo be di de be boa wo be sha atare mpa obi ebe de ebe boa unsi onim nyina etimi ede esesa ya nim ngwase ya de ntentina ho emetitiri ya no emekan enidi etu stroke 3p garlic mixture enom na wo ensano na unya ahode obi won so na ne vidie mu etutu no won se ye sori a mache be 4 ebedu fie na bo be anwume be 9 eyana yenya ye time stress ye koye ba ye yesi na ne widie mu etutu no was esi edu ametin kase bibia homba metin kase minti mi no mpeni mu no eya meja mesewada se wonya 3p garlic mixture no mo bibia ebekoso ye edema eye inflammation na enya ono se wonya 3p garlic mixture widie mu nyina ebekoso tote ede amount na obesity obi wa onsa ne kase ne tenten no abroso so na 3p garlic mixture be yi gas ni nyina edi afio na afu kese anadudidie enti no eja ye afu kese on se do month afasha na ye pia at times fitting no ye kopu sang se yi estay die beach any pool side hold on nkofo ebe de ebeko ye bikini na ebeko ye mfa cabanet any goddess emfa nko yin se wofu aye kese a huntimi enko bi misra wada jana dudide wuda na wudidi nso so ye exercise nanom 3p garlic mixture efa kan wo nanyi fat no nense nyi gas na bi de na ojefu na aye kese no enyi ne nyina emfiri ho na unya wo fa wudi na stress na mdi nkan ma me mom so da mache ekodwa so ene Dr. T so so da mache be 3 obefiri ya na ko be awia be 2 ene papa mo tensti echi ene ade munum 3p garlic mixture ebeboam because mo sorry sa na won se emoja hye ne mo ko ban madun kwa free aduane so madun kwa free activities a we so mo ye dem mo ye so munum 3p garlic mixture ebeboam amma ye active amma timi aye adwuma ye na nusu bidie ni mo nusu ye tumi nyina ebeyi afi ho ede amamo 3p garlic mixture zeboa eboa adasama enipadua ene yapom dinti yese no ene the best and alternative herbal medicine in Ghana and beyond. Make beyond am chesa abochiefo nyina ajatum say aduro na any 3p garlic mixture. Garlic any wodoma kwa hama any nubna and a team of doctors for more pure natural health. I extract juice no any my minerals any vitamins a boy Mr. Wada and now my jade any winya aduro na 3p garlic mixture. So ko herbal shop, pharmacy shop, drugstore bia ubenya bi ato ntina meka mo se kumase for yenyina yenko dani heba Kolinak heba ena kriske heba tamale yenko wofa kojo heba opposite matasu luango de ben lucho mat ena wa yenko muni away enterprise opposite wa cathedral ko fawidwa for yenko Gabson pharmacy de ben total 2 no beno pharmacy ho yenko abesam takrade yenko AA mensa yenko kofo yenko Isaac drugstore nasa hillside pharmacy asamafo nya yenko Ekus pharmacy tama community 5 Little George around PV no be run about ho na sa wopendo sopo na so pendo do etua yenyina ye moshi na yenko okanshi Angel Heba okanshi Angel Heba se ekwa ebenya bi etu akoton yade ya entina ho emma yade eni wonya eni wojapade contract wa wade mpo engi influence medo na any 3p garlic mixture frying it was 0248 92 8824 0248 92 8824 and 0201 00 0021 0201 000021 3p garlic mixture eye naturally organic kopebidum na emwao
edase na sensodie no timu obi maye
na sensodie no se ukoto a onse box no aha no eye rere na afin so garlic na eda ho no eye kokko me pa cho eto na eduo no gumu no ebo eye toa yenkwan ye de na ede toa ede egu eto Mr. Wada yenkoto obi obokoto na se eye rubber enye rubber eye toa ebontu koto a na wahwe ne hwese label no garlic na eda ho no eye kokko na eda ho to koto na wafe weni na wahwe ne ye na yamfa achenchena na no
yada se said we enfam si hey
nyame
hwe so na happy birthday in advance and so
thank you
nyame nkoso ana onye unhira
no
ma osumfra dumu
amen
nkwa dumu sa happy birthday yenyina so na yenkomra na me wofoforo bi so ho ye ba ebetwa so yada se yemu akwa ba bi emra Adom TV Badwam dwumadie so yada se pa umre no adaje a wode ama ye na mamefa we emfam kuransa na maba Virgin Sun so na Kumpu Ghana Easter Sales campaign no egusua ya ekoso ai make us ekoso den na what's a year exclusive Easter sales no happens here wo Kumpu Ghana one more branches ni nyina from neya make us say because it's 30th no true me kind of fa who shem fi say near wo beto say brands beat say LG Samsung TCL HP Tecno Infinix Itel normally ade 50% ho ya yi ede free ho na fa wusham sisi a sabe ya wo so ubetumi awene niema ahodo yi ebi national song say another big one so ewo ho ubetumi anya 85-inch smart TV 85 oh ti no so all dem no shate say Thomas who a ebeje dining na boss enti by this time no me expect say obeje kese na watumi the 85-inch smart TV abodan mo emu iPhones laptops juices rice cookers and niema bebre na Kumpu Ghana one branches ni nyina no ebi ewo ho sa promotion cost laptops printers mobile phones televisions air conditioners home theaters fridges dia wuto bia ubora o branches nim bia ebi so ewo ho na Kumpu Ghana social no so say one branches no wo malls ahodo ni nyina mu won kran Ghana wo malls ni nyina mu Sprinters Oxford Street East Lagos no ho nyina IT and electronic showrooms no ebi so ewo ho enti sa wo to ade 3000 Ghana na ne se draw na mu no watimi a enta nti twumika wo enta draw na we invoice no number bi wo ho na wa tested their course special code no automatically no na se wo ankasa wo hyemu edada na draw no sa draw kese no ebekoso 2nd May 2nd May ebi anu watumi ayesa lucky nti take advantage no enne na boru akompu Ghana branches ni nyina mu malls ni nyina wo boru mu a ne wo to bia no receipt ne na ne wo di shame for 0302752020 0302752020 and 0243143143 0243143143 promotion ni shanonson say the National Lottery Authority and akabom edebro terms and conditions apply. Na Virgin Sun nete hey I will feel Lawson Heba Center ba nnuro no ye wadwama so na si ye nimu tie ni ye die bia ye woni pedua mu na watumi de abon ho ban na Easter watumi edi no ahoden mule nti Virgin Sun memo akwaba
ya mini
na bia boko de
Awurade adom
na Virgin Daddy so ho ye
na me adom no ye pa
Dr. Lawson
your Virgin doctor sounds so Virgin mama
you Virgin mama and na Virgin mama birthday no okay yeah fa ne picture ma ye na ye mfanto so
ma me wish me mama anopai Mrs. Lawson Che Rebecca anopai me ma wa dapa happy birthday every Virgin Son and wo kunu Dr. Lawson was say Awurade Nyankopon emo ho ban na o ma nkwatintin o ma oyi ni adoye eni wachi na o ma wonfia wonye emfa asomdwe ni mpuntuo ne nkanko amra wa brabom happy birthday
amen
na mamenfa akonya we so na wase anopai na menchia mahwefo ne metiefo wona ebo Lawson Herbal Center echidom na omaje Virgin Doctor ene ne ba Virgin Sanatum se enei yakasa mutie na moya asomre na mutime num ye nrodi ho adanse ya kire afoforo na enuro ya be yakrabahwe ewo maimu yaka Lawson Herbal Center ya kire akwan ye wokumase ebu akwa kena yesi wokumase ebu akwa kena Samson amamo Accra ye bi a branch ewo Abekatota Tesano Commercial Plaza building ase hope na won sabe kan ye hye so se wona asabi yare adukru ni paduanim akoye chronic disease aye acute adana madwenwen wabamabu oni da so asa na nso so Lawson Herbal product no onum bi no Dr. Lawson se frɛ no na woni oni nkomo na ye mawo ahodene ene ayaresa emre ni paduanim amfa ma ye telephone numbers no at the screen as na emu me pesa woti ni yie na wo fa na wo de efrɛ ye no 0242 133577 0242 133577 0248 619999 0248 619999 medical cash you say enru no eyemiensa ye wo Lawson Herbal mixture wo dwaman so ye wo Lawson delay man capsules ewo ho ye wo Lawson law care herbal mixture ewo ho na law care no eye infection adru a ye de akutia na mu nsa yare bia na infection kekawa wo di padua ma ema ni padua na ende ne ho ni padua na nya akono entimi mfa ne tomapa emfra no enti enei bema asabi wonso akonya na mu nsa yare ni bi a ye frɛ ne baba so kraman edurumre bia ya na nsansa begu bema no ho na ekɔ edurumre bia wo so fitaa bi ojonso a na ede kan apia furu bema na no eya na aye tentan ojonso a na bema emu hyehyew mesra bema asabi wakonya na mu nsa yare yi bi a nam so wo bema na kora no esan say infection a che wo nipadua mu nti wo bema na sotea na ete fon a na efon edurumre bia osori anopa baba so yare ni nti no infection kora nti no wo bema na intimi nsori ebasa ya asefem because ye ka bema awose o mema sem de da bia no du anopa etimi eboni tirinko ekirew enti wo a wo de akoye baba so kraman no eduru a ne meme Virgin Sun me de mensa besi me bo na medi adanse anya koduru wom ni arehwemu se we ni infection eduru a bema wo noma etu baba ya so yare no afri ni padua nim afei ema nso etimi no maduru kro ya bi wo ba asabi wonso eduru ma bi a o de pua abetena woni padua mu ema ahimfio eya na eho kekaw enam so ema eduru ba mre bi a eya na odo nsa eterurura wa ahimfie eduru ma bi a na nka boni fra ahimfie ho ba o de puanti oba sabi woni ba ma ni hia mesra woni atenka ba ma ne ba won nkyɛn kora na afei ba ma na okɔ a omfre wo biem na mom hye no so se o de pu ayare boni asabi oba ba woni padua ma ema nka boni etimi ba eduru ma bi a na ma ahimfie no abie but wo hello ka heba mixture ye de ba adwaman so a enei ema asabi na o de pu atete wo mo ema asabi no matenka ko akire wo monom lo ka heba mixture esan se no futine wom asasuhwam 20 haban ojama haban ene edua ye freno asawa haban wo muntino ene isama yi nyina aye virgin girl enti wo ye oba wo pese oni padua ne ya akono wa himfie wo dry eho close na bema ne ba enkita hudi a uni ni di no eye jojo no na bema no utu nyam no so mfaso no eduru a mekamfo ama wo eye loke heba mixture wudi bia uni ode puo ni bi bado pese da bia ho ahimfie no eho ye krogen bema ne ba nani aka ho a wodi na watwe ba ku bia no loke ne num bi we ni adro ba also de siesie wo ho na da bia na bema no watimi atena wo ho ache your telephone numbers no eye 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 Shannon so say delay man capsules enso wo ho emema na muntie me media me say we ya bema na pese won me ya yonkofa ana pese me virgin son won me ahwibom dia a ewo so otimi ma osisi mu yedene ewo so otimi ma okotodwom yedene ewo so otimi ma wo pachi etimi yedene na wo hia wo ba na oba no ne wutimi dwiri no wo ba nan kokom etimi ewoso no oba no ono nso tititi skama wudi na unya no so mfaso but Shannon so say ebi a wo ye bema ono wo kani wo ho ibosome miensa 5 months 1 year ni wo ba no untimi ni nhia ada wo ba yese ukosidani ma wo di ahoden ne vim beko no wo de poso a ubonsa na wo dae ya ebasa oba no o ma na ninye ebasa oba no ukumu no batunum delay man capsules a to ne bua siesie na ma bema na asabi emaye mre no emaye dene afei kona wuntimi nkosine ne mu nche no wunum delay na dunsukuro 20 damnam akomawre knama akote ododua asasuhwama ewo mu nti no ebesiesie wuntiri ne mu nyina mekuro bia ewo usisi mu ekuro bia ewo mema sam no afa ne ntoma pefra eno na sa onu oba ne ehia no aka akire wo se miura udi wo mensem ewo wahimfie entu pesa wo ye bema na wo bobra wo mpesa wo mema sam kura be ho techema no delay man capsules the fire woduro enya adwuma instant wo do ma utinya wo ya wakoma enya wo ya na momu ya adwuma ni wie a ubonse wo ni padua ne na madwo fom woni beje ewo adwuma na waye no ho ko herbal shop ko pharmacy all the 16 regions are atwe ho ahia no wo kwa ubenya bi ato na mom Shannon so se enkomo no yadi sie no eduru a eye panyi di panyi a enei Dr. Lawson adi ni din eto so a Ghana fo nkokrafo emrewafo enketesia ne mrante e ba abrewa wo mom pese epo ebeba ni paduam etonom no eye Lawson herbal mixture sa Lawson herbal mixture wen wobi asabi odi akoye honam yaw wobi a odi akoye ahotutuo wobi a oda sori a wonsa na asensene aye tititi eyada wo so ade ma na wonsa epopo edurumra bi a wo ye adwuma kakra bi a na wabre woda esori free kataso a wachiri kase na emututu no mesrew eduru a wonoma ebeboa wo emani padua edwofom emani padua ekuru ewom ewuo emani padua ekuru awa kasem ebrase no ene a wotutuo nyina ebrase no aye eduru a ye friend Lawson herbal mixture we na dodo na di hu adanse asa ne mrane se de oya da stroke kataso a wantimi nsori nante no wonom Lawson herbal mixture 10 bottles a no asori nante du okuta poma wa sugar ni sisi achia wantimi nante yie wo tutu tatai no wonom Lawson herbal mixture 5 bottles a no ono nso atopoma ato atwene hweduro no hu adanse nyagidie ni arohyemu se ye ka bibiduru a eye Lawson herbal center Shannon so se enei enuo no ya to apete ba bia bekobia no ubenya bi ato na mom bi ehia me no obapa se me kwa sa wo nkwa na beka wa ha intimesira tiefo no numbers no omanyare omomfa eye 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0248 619999 enwori nyina ya miensa bema opeso ye brane wutimi ruawura corners ni yefra wo miwura no numro no miansa nyina bom at a time wo ba wo pese wo ni padua ya soro han ahimfie wa dry bosome so a umaja atimi flo no num loka heba me chane lo se me chane ebom at a time nyame ya adom a dasene Sarah Virgin Sun ewo Adom TV so bye bye.
Yada say papa panti Lawson Heba Center na yete won enkano ma yankoso ankai wo se nyame ya adom asante hina otumfo se tutu ya wotoso emienu no adehie ankrankre nimakuo bi a eboa no bo na chidom ma Hill Comfort Anoche project ene adum pempenso a adure ya yeguso ekoye nimu no owo abasobo bi a opese ode ebo wo no mo enye late nso Virgin Sun ne Virgin Doctor wonso betime de modie no akro kwa dano a day no 21st April 2025 Easter Monday no 6 p.m. na yen guest of honor ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana ye mampani na eba dwumadie no ase enu nti nsori ankwankra wona wonsem wo bie enye late ene ye ebi mu aye aye bo wa abaso wonso de ne nam kwan mu ba nti wobetime de a friend number 0544195525 0544195525 na wonso take advantage dwumadie no ebekoso wo Manhyia Palace nti wo ba ho ne de se wo ba nko a de a na ye se wo book no konfano che dan ye si ye wa na obi ani ho ma wofo kra no omuni ho 70 years o enti na anyini tie hian sakra na sanse e papa nti kra na tie ase tie wo se ye renovation no na yagege ya bedu ba bi adure ya eneyi ye to asri nti wo 16 regions no a 12 regions ene ye refer one mobile konfano che nti se ye boa ye ne kwampa so ye meka opemso eho na ye wontimi no ne bota ye ho momo number ni me ka sei wobetime de atoso 0544195525 nintime mu a openchiremu bia woni e maka ye chi a 0205516330 afa yentie ye birthday celebrant ye nerade de afa aka ibinum mfie ho ye ne wo nkamom na yenye ni tino eni happy birthday nkoma Esther Safwa Opoku Esther Safwa Opoku ona da so no ba fefe nyame hira no ma sunfra dumu nkwa dumu Mark Weber na we show happy birthday afei my hero my dad Emmanuel Kwame Daku happy birthday nyame hira japa onkwaso obano do too much Festus aka Ofos ona we show happy birthday nyame hira papa na onyo kesie happy birthday nkoma Angela aka Small Madam Angela aka Small Madam wo Mighty Chapel International ni nyabe wuramu sadia wo ka so a happy birthday onyame hira Angela na onyo kesie pa happy birthday nkoma Abigail Poku Atete aka Chantel Abigail Poku Atete Abigail mo den oba no ho ofe bia na nai koka abi ti wonkwaso picture no Virgin Sun ho am watena siye Abigail poster no ye serious fama won nyame hira pa afei Maslina Mponsan Maslina ona da so no ba fefe wonkwaso nyame hira no ma osufra dumu enkwa dumu na afei eye Virgin Mama Mrs. Lawson chei dia nti Mrs. Rebecca chei Lawson wonkwaso ye nya picture no but erade nkwaso nhira na onye okese na omo asufra dumu nkwa dumu na kwaso afo achita no eta wukunachi na efie dua na asumdwe nso kwaso mo timide ye adwuma employ nipa bebre ema wontimbe so yasene ema ye nya bitua ye nka nti oba pa wonkwaso nkwa tenten ne yesere ede ema ye mfansi ha na Sister Sunday bi oye guy oye crowd ede ahosepe no to so mididi afia amankwa tamaklo sikadua he na daro manwa mitini kamanso ede amame nti ukọ kwabenya stores a sikadua obohemu a ubenya no tire bia sikabeya ama kama fefefe Sister Sunday be a guy na ntuore de okura ode to aso that's it manchebegwa style bia meeting the Sandra Ohime ametiwa ejumenga me Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a. Sister Sunday be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. Straight up. Ghana's entertainment prophet. Uncle Mama. Thank you. Yes, that's it. And Engineer Baden. And each many mama me come and say, Hair Logistics GH. I'm a wig. Ashe. We are your wig. And a shemisano. Or Instagram, TikTok at Hair Logistics GH. My catch will say braided wig caps dear. And your Hair Logistics not just say. And you'll be or you're too good at shower as a wabutino. Go for one person must say, a wig and pa, a wig. And I eagle wear, and so I'm a matadi, a shamatadi, a pump, a made in Ghana. Or more Testano, same building with Starbites restaurant, Shell filling station, Honoma, she eagle for a chaquine now, or mon pump atade, and famau and share. And I will quite, you know how we do it on Wednesdays? And Maya Edda, if any woman crush. Wednesday, Maya Airborne Muhammadin wo industry ni no. Aya me shede yi ene no. Esi wo mi Wednesday sisi wo say yede ebe hoaho mo. Na obi ye bibia wa hye ni nkran na watimi ato aso. And akwaya Maya de me and sister Emilia Brobe ya de na mo me yempene ne. Yeah. In fact, osmo mo nsema sister mi. E twasitia e na connects Oko alatame mo hwesenia with Kadiri cha sinino go YouTube ne so a fese ye hu se ye nua Ghana ni enso so bo ne ho because you and I know say movie industry na koye bibia ho few people be to say Kobe run and Shelly Frimpong man so man still has some production. However they get the fans no jenim because we know it's not easy. And Emilia Bobe afatu no ho so say Debbie se kuma wouldn't tiasi biemu pa obebo ne homoden se obe entertain Ghana for Ghana for yawa buche on beso mo hwe Ghanaian films no e se ko YouTuber Emilia twitwa movie ni gu ho back to back star production oh mumma sister Emilia you are doing amazing because industry ni bibia ho na kwa se wo nyina be kan adwuma ho mo nyina ye presenters aye they are doing well your mama kwa baba adwuma nim welcome to journalism. You know, Oya Kukuseku the talk show. It's for her to still produce movies, you know. I think she's doing well, and I know pay. You I say Bebo Emilia Basso. Yamin Shao pay Yomo Ahwade. How you get the fans, we don't even know because it's not easy. And Emilia Chesinina. Oh, you stars, oh, make stars. Oh, was Momo Emilia Brody. She's one of us. Okay, Edumani Hunting. My sister. She's making them of form green. Once Emilia Tetium, once watching, but my best star. Now the Emilia, Mamma chance, I'm best star. Dear Chen, now yes, I'm over disrespecting. You may be dim in that you will crab home. It's Emilia Brobe. Big up yourself. Oko YouTuber, what you chebia guha. Easter Monday, Kwano. Adom TV, ebe in Siniba, Komatuni Din Daddy. Or the new one, the about, what was it? What was it? So something beauty. I think, sir, my Miss Waka home. And Emilia, so Eka home. It is what it is. Air course in a way, no. But who said Nana McBrown P. Have a message wedding. What's about Nana McBrown is also shooting. Big of yourself, Rooty mommy. But I never quite Rooty double me. You know, thanks for letting me. Empress. Oh, Her Excellency. Nana Meg Brown. On also Chebigu YouTube. I'm yet to watch the movie Nibi. Like new ones now, channel. But Emilia, then the mashada atina share who say, oh, a costo. Her Excellency, dear Nama Bidi Hua dance ya. But let's support them because it's easy. They are using their own money to produce and all that. So pick up yourselves. All the Kumawood stars are still trying to hold the movie industry flag and it's too high. Still on the Woman Crush Wednesday, no. Abaya Bako no sukodi jumedi ebi wa manonia. With Timmy raising the flag of Ghana so high, Amare. Nidino, Ayebimkan Amare, ye nim, but Ninginaya Ama, any reno. Moko performe, was it Coachella? Now the way I say your name no, it's worth celebrating. Tibasha share on so performance and we are celebrating you, girl. Keep singing. New manager me who she a banisa a more fire. Isaac was say opem swana na Isaac, me bo din na me bo hwia kokumas nana ye bo din na sorry. Me hene no opemso wote kokoso tumfo say to etremu a wo ye dinner we a royal invitation any year to afrewe one more heal the Confanochi project no omo yi sika more than 10,000 Ghana cedi ekono nana ye dinner to nsa from na matena se die mu hwam ebekoso ewo Kumase we say ni atuni din generous hearts together for healing what you say me hene timi atena se Confanochi teaching hospital ya renovate here 5-star hotel nana more pia mo nsema me hene mumo mama hene nana 86 p.m. Special guest of honor, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. Eyezu jemeso eyeza. Etiana that's one no. Aha no hey no pidi na moye. No. Enti ebekoso nyame ya adomo a Kumase. Opese ofra mention him fee for reservation 055 195525 054 195525. Where ya Queen Asobishia, His Royal Majesty, Otunfo will say tutu. 70-year-old blood cat and a check. Na yange ho Edru kama yepa. Upi the steady away chiho. Ate. May come open to ask someone with the donation to so. Yen to aso. Still on the Woman Crush Wednesday, I'm celebrating Ghanaian musicians and Maya or more airborne more and modern. My uncle Wendy Shay so. Abaye beat na say it's me Eddie Nyum sa you made ye be say I face suddenly no. And you na hate here shooting Wendy Nyumi or pressure be rising Jane it's a kwaso it's an open so may celebrate Wendy Shay or by industry name no. She didn't have it easy because na Ebony was the ish and omodi Ebony ta na di Ebony cha ba ye ya we obi anka na bembebu ba na bem embu still now pem sokoye and when the share household name who ye show na pe oba to so na won fanento in fact me share a couple of shows as baby she's doing amazing Timomo nsema when the share and okay I'm celebrating you Joe Flowers about yasi na yentie ne nwom bra kakra.
Say what again? Hey, when you see sexy body, see yeah, my Esther. When you start singing, when you tell over your guy, sister, be a guy. Sing it for when you share. 1, 2, 3.
And also to say thank you. So we say it was last year's song, Ghana. Abaye say one say mental as a crowd because Amaya never bunny more trendy and they say more yam kwale. I say akole bia ni abris onu so buni mu a wono so be trendy. We don't want that. Kwala mama, I really don't want that. Mama kwala nyam kwala, let kids be kids. Let them be decent. Omutini we decent. Omunta di shape decent. No mo kosunsia. Mo fanya me so mtete kwala. Na mo ya say social media just akole bia be say oyam kwala boni semsa. But yo, big up yourself. They call it talent. And we are here for the talent. Oh, that's right. And I'm celebrating Sifa. Another girl so no so born in the industry because Black Avenue, I think said Black the Black sign Kofobe Bray, including Frida Ryan, so mungine you amona sempabwa. Ewo hosa and car Sifa. And she's still standing in strong. But the back could be a friend with Shilimpili. And I think it's an anthem for the girls. We know we need to send me the it is Sifa Joe Flowers about yes. I'm celebrating you today. Why I dare keep singing, baby girl. I've got coral people here. Shabas is ya. Into Oguso Tonyum. Oguso Tonyum. Na menyaho kese bi ofi ha say yenyomo introduction come. Me ana me join kwa. E wo bant my praise bi. Bethel congregation South on Tresu. Na me bo auto pa. Make am se kwa afo ni nyina ni masesa. But as I say, but my mama you are looking beautiful. Okay. And when you say the more tonyum there, this is a harmony. I home. Yedi ni mo form pearls mask kwa. Omo don so pa. Then no say program be you titine ni na boafo. Where you titine ni and na boafo a omo represent the rest of the choir. No more maka ho ye de. Obia ho. Pastor mo introduce mo ho din.
See, send your kind, yeah, Pearl Square, free. Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry. Okay. Not the one.
Oh, okay, okay. Hey, tomorrow I want to tell you my story because I know. But 21st night, we said I see charm and answer. Oh, that time it's identity, na me ben. Oh, nice. Good to have you. Na answer ne be ko mu hu yenyum kakra. Ah, na kwa afo aba pa mu hu mi. Na me join kwa ojide. Oh. Ba na me join kwa ojide. Oh, mama so na me mo. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, the mama be so. Mama me him na kakra. Me a Presbyterian. Ti munim Presby him bia. Mama so na me mo to ne nchira mo say yeah.
Oh, Grandma. Oh, come no. Oh, Fata. Se ochiaye.
Monsomi ankwe.
Oh, Grandma.
My job assistants. Monsomi.
Oh, come no.
Okay.
Oh, Fata.
All right. Okay.
Oh, Grandma. Oh, Kuno. Oh, Fata. Se ojiaye. Oh, Grandma. Oh, Kuno. Oh, Fata.
Wow. Into this and many more nearby witness say Dabe.
19th April.
19th.
That's this coming Saturday at 5:30 sharp.
Wow. Yes. Program about day.
Okay, so are waiting in worship? See, I can say waiting in worship. I say yes, when you're trained or sorry, I train Unyankopon. Into 11 years ago, Pearl Square ne a sorry paying for. Edging who say okay, so Yesu Christo share boso bewu. And I'm pa Friday no wewu. Sunday near why be done or castle be be my engine chini. So Friday no we dikanya with the then Sunday also be sorry. So it's possible and it's true so be sorry. So that Saturday no yeah the sorry any aye any enyomoto eda Christo ase so bewu ye no de ni mojaje ye nkwa. Na ne Sunday ni nso no yesiesie ye ho that Saturday no e wo sorry any aye mu e de a train ne resurrection that's necessary. So okay. That's
all right. My lady, nyame adom a show no bekoso wo hefa.
E bekoso wo charismatic evangelistic.
Sorry honum na.
Fachai.
Oh, okay.
Ebe Wisconsin University.
Exactly. Eti obi bo she Google Map say okwa evangelic.
Charismatic evangelistic ministry.
Ede ne beko street.
Ede ne beko street.
Mame come me man ho. Eti that day no expectation then you expect me nua be ma.
Okay, my darling sister Sandy.
Hi darling.
Etia wa hefo nyina.
Yasum.
Yeah, we expect the glory of God. Nice. Say year in year out bia no. Okay. Ade a ye program na niam bebre esi.
Okay.
Nyankopon hye ne ho animonyam ewo ya brabum. Say o pese Nyankopon hye wo animonyam. O pese wonya deliverance. O di bibia to Awurade anim. Na say won san kan ya enam nyum to so. Enyum a ye be ho no. Nyankopon be nam no so a transform your life. Nti ye sofu Penny, Reverend Dr. Steve Benson. Reverend Stanley Mensa eda ye kwa na no.
Oh wow.
Nti no. Ye humpa ye pa. Nti it's not just a normal program, but it's just an encounter with God.
But I say yeah, omo your twins, right?
Omo your twins.
Wow, and a double blessing.
Yes.
A double. Me who say me nua me who say manum to phobi daso. Pacho betimi abobo so am ye who say that's all right, but betimi abobo so am ye hu.
Ane manum to for na oda program na no ebi pastor sisi baby.
Okay.
Ene ya ye nkofo a ene onwo asori hono. Oye Kwaku Kwame. And Esther Godwell.
Kwaku Kwame.
Yes, Kwaku Kwame.
Guy is serious now. Kwaku Kwame. Oh, my church ho. Yeah, so bad do. Oh, when you Kwaku Kwame that's so the ani aba me ba beta ni chi. Ba se mo nje hwe yo ho.
Nje free.
Tie mranya me fie.
Mranya me fie na rabbi experience.
This is nice. Any member and mo be we obi abehwe camera ni mo ho no ato nsa frɛ amanfo because free there okay na waka na obi anhwem to the camera na invite ahwefo ni na say e free there omba.
Okay, so ahwefo any etiefo a mo share na mo tie na no pay yen program waiting in worship is coming on live this Saturday 19th April 2025 inti yetu yen sade fro bibia enya yera kwan Oba North Legon Agboba Road also wohwehwe CEM or Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry a ubenya yebeye no Rehoboth Temple inti udru honum na obisa obia ebecho ti yetu yen sa fro bibia
you are mutwe ye the two album cover so enya bad once na SIFM the way I'm that way the two album covers for wow okay this is beautiful eti kwa na wo hu omo ho so omo doso pa omo doso but memory to omo nyina ntimi eba me dofo pa ma menje o final words kasa chere camera no ati ahwefo e show no
enti sena me nya bakaye no ye tun se afro bia se wo ko serve ya sorry ana se wo nye member of ya sorry krana obetimi aba na me sure obo say adebia o de beto nyame enim sada no ne ni onyam ne na ho de besa ne sada no na obeya wakoma so ade nyina obeya nhura kache wona fofo wo family members obia na mombra na ye na ye som.
Okay, all right medofo me ya bema.
Okay, start sanding dase and ye be kat ye tia ne say Saturday 19th of April 2025 5:30 p.m. our Rehoboth Temple Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry I1 North Legon. Yeah, invite you be a so mombra say we are sorry ko ni unkwa sorry o they come and experience the Pearl Square waiting in worship.
Okay, baby boy
me nkasa be break na me ya do ma me da mombra na mom for money mahwe. So, all
right. Say thank you for coming. This is home. Thank you for coming. Pearls Square. And you're much my boss, I soft well, we could fiam pedu. Or she mamma any prayer topic. I say me had a pie. What the babbit so or mamma one and your mom pie. But I see many mama. Eddie BC, my main chair, the CEO of Buffruit Puff. Mr. Bernard Bissio, and pay also live from London. Mr. Bissio for donation, Brana, young fan supporting a Juma. It's a chair when a wife in Kalani in Tyrese, Brina, and the whole family. And see, yeah, I don't know, one share Pearl Square or more. Juma dear, no more, you be quite one mona, young fan, your Mokwaya Ban, I mean, what you change. Mention. Oh, I'm in your mouth. Oh, okay. Me colleague, Abna Pokia Hene. Or radio, or current affairs, politics, or chimoa, or donation, or to hospital equipment. I feel do bit media tosona, yashe, or donation in 2% or supporting her. I think the number be the flyer and I still bit me afraid. Thomas, for who can almost share, I don't know, almost fair abna. Any, I think the number that I say, right? Okay, so I show me afraid number, and now can social media pages are. Obey me who details singing out home. But the sister Sandy. I'm the guy's queen. And Kalama, me made that hair logistics GH and a eagle wear for assay for the wig and the attire. Yamin Shabung in a well be Kufian Pedu, a overall overseer. I will show you made no eso. Thomas, a direct say, Mark Weber, etc. OPD, I am a producer, and our osmosis, a sound engineer, MCR, to the whole team, AD, I see you, Master Solo. And everybody, thank you. Me sorry, so I'm only who you near Vampong. And whom be near Vampong. Pearl Square, more famine to the elbow. More famine to. Oh, Bibia, you ever you made any Saturday, but more famine to the elbow.
All
right.
Oh, hail the power of Jesus' name. Let angels prostrate for bring forth the
Badwam so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV, Digibox Nation so yeah live and so honum. So and share live on all our social media handles from Facebook to YouTube. Baby, I could be searching for Adom TV. Adom TV. Now, a follow discussion. Yeah, your comments. Oh, streaming now. I say, my hunte need to make kind and far amount. Share MOB answer to me be and so 8 me and share. No so to for adventure embra. Oh my God, adventure no. And then can say ya net here. Can be mammy kebi. My can be now so can be. And ya 10 year and yaka century. And ya before so. A child drinks on mine bit me a fan to my pa. A day a framidi. They akwasi is a free sabre compensation on Club Wapa Sema. You know, in you didn't come at a far on my Ghana. On the brighter side of life, happy birthday and confirmer, Mrs. Lawson J. Rebecca. From your husband, Dr. Lawson, a.k.a. the Virgin Doctor. And the doctor saw we show happy birthday, Mrs. Lawson J. Rebecca. And wawoda. We wish you all the best. No be Yankopon ede afeba ko account fi awode ne bia so no. You will show happy birthday. Chairman Joseph Ade Koka, the former Greater Accra Regional Chairman de ma NEC Amoyoku, a friend Chairman Emeritus. So Dr. Kwabena Kukufu, former Executive Director at the Environmental Protection Authority. And so acting as a former Member of Parliament and incoming executive of the New Patriotic Party. Cheba boko there. Bibi ashi
yeah. I think
it's 100 days near Pimpen one is so.
Boba.
There's a press mama ye charge 100 days and also 120 days. 120 days. So 1 year under 100 days.
Oh yeah,
120.
Yeah, social contract.
Oh, okay. Okay. To be a judge should be judged by 120.
That is where the pendulum starts swinging. When a video a boss a boba, sisi is back.
But
okoyi. Oh, okoyi. At least okoyi power. The country is already bleeding. It was a doctor. I mean, unfortunately, my brother on your medical doctor. Okay. Or a medical doctor and come back as on your surgery.
On diagnosis.
Diagnose. On your medical doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, boss by baby.
By the show.
Oh.
I know I just educate ya cause was saying what is the same for being your pre man penny debre after excellence.
That's right.
But you should remember say continuation of NDC will be benched on the success of John Dramani.
Exactly.
The amount for be a chance here and jostle around. To take over.
But
one year in terms of mouth be overtaken.
Oh, where I will pray. In Quandy new same.
Okay.
In Quandy on your meaning same. It was all trouble. Abutre. You get the Uduko saying for. Let me say condolences to the family of Sampiali. Yeah. I open a mobile. So we are seeing in the war. Ochina unia nti be any say amount for April no man. Me yan say e be sisi man. If a man here, it doesn't matter whether Dr. Kokofo whether Nancy the country is moving on. Nti any name politics no na aye bibia politics.
Okay.
Because it seems that in this country no our only concern is elections.
Yeah.
4-year cycle. 4-year cycle elections. BBI is towards what?
Yeah.
Election.
Yeah.
Not the country called Ghana. So I agree perfectly with the Chairman General. Say the success of anybody, whoever has got aspiration, will depend on John Mahama's government. So I would say, sure say the correct things are done by him.
A quick one. Before I call Dr. Hodem, don't you think, sir, no will one way affect the outcome of 2028 elections on NDC? Maybe, say, if you might be interested, Senka President Mama Efa a running mate. Yeah, and yet likely that a person will take over after him. Maybe in Kajosle no enye gidi bebre. as compared to Professor Nana Jiropokwajmana, some assume say on a President Mahama Nyina be free office after 2024.
There are two schools of thought in this. One, man proposes,
God disposes.
God disposes. What was okay. Those who are thinking that way, no.
Okay.
They are not God.
Okay.
And the other school of thought is that let us develop the country.
Okay.
I said earlier on, say, we shouldn't live a life of only politics. Oh, we have to look, we share other countries, development. That's you go and you say, hey, within 5 years, this country has developed. You look at Rwanda, look at Uganda. Countries are in Africa. Rebecca said they are not our peers. But when you go on social media and they are showing these days, it's YouTubers here, or more around countries.
Yeah.
We hear Jamaica. The last time we called Jamaica, I think the turn of the century. But this called Jamaica, it has totally changed. Most of the West Indies have totally changed. Those days when they were all republics, skyscraper, you know, and you look at their democracy. I mean, after a period, no, then you, but here and there, from day one, from 8 January, we start politicking. Have you seen the amount of money that CD Divwaka say to be a president, you need $150 million. We are parliamentarian, we need 10
to $15 million.
I mean, how? And a country like Ghana, the question is, how are these monies coming in? How are we getting these monies? Oh, so because we are politics now, it is going sooner or later, it will be beyond our grips.
Sure. $150 million.
$150 million. Doctor, what be President Eddie?
150.
President Eddie.
$150 million US.
And there's a fundraising
for a single campaign. $150 million US.
I mean, are we serious?
Dr. Bokode, Adom Now, who the Ghanaian publisher, NPP holds crunch meeting to the case report reforms high on agenda. Yeah, because party Bokode.
Boko, but before some about we know, chairman, make it ne remarks in person kaka crab. No, or case BBI or man.
Yeah, Amanyosen.
I think I see a man in economy, said doctors, young woman. Like I'm a medical doctor. Doctors are young woman.
Okay.
Economic doctors are young woman.
Okay.
So, finance minister, and our IMF program. In NPP IMF, I approve $370 million at a friend say this level.
Staff agreement
level. I feel never call board to do, but staff agreement in the level. Now, World Bank say Ghana bomode papa. Ghana economy no a call for recovery programs are by now we under President Akufo-Addo di gu akwere. Aye adwuma yie. Nanka prediction was 3.3%.
Okay.
Actually, na no mpese scale no about 4%. But Ghana timia year could do 5.7%.
Your growth,
GDP growth.
Yeah.
Inti abana ya de papa or mana kodenim economical. Economy. And untino aban we ya wo hoi. Wa ben. Omomodina na follow the footsteps of Yero Akufo-Addo aban no. Kwan omo fa so ado omo tutu economy. Is it not refreshing? Yeah. And today, and can be being today. And many other NDC for want to, side of the story, Finance Minister also, Timia Rechi agreement, 370 million. Because the first meeting, and previously, no, Senema and Koye under SAR review now, and Komon Peneda. But a Koye, Amomabo, Abino, Abasu. But 4 or 5 months back, Yamagana for any years in Natia says, economy no crowd here. Ghana economy in so impo after the president. Ya to about mount the when you now ni amount for kasa. What see the economy has been criminally mismanaged. Now Ghana is a crime scene. Really? And today, IMF, Doctor na, opese oye economy no ho aduma. O ma ye.
O de o ka me you are no.
O ma ye say aduma.
Me because yeah politics.
That be it's not politics. That be na me can diabo. Yeah, this is not politics. This is economics.
Because on the side of the story.
This is doctor.
This is economics.
There has always been this argument say it looks as if say anytime Ghana economy will go under IMF scrutiny we do well. Even to the point where under Dr. Kwabena Fokwam said he bought single digit inflation. We are still really under IMF conditionalities. The challenge is how we are able to take our economy into our own hands after IMF.
Do you know why? A fiscal indiscipline. And a politicians here. Because my promise I can say, or no so I promise I can say. Impo ya budget na ya ji atumu. Budget ni chere say be di 10 cities. Okay. 10 cities in emu 2 cities be call health. Emu 1 city be call agric. Emu we be that is Chinese. Along the line, na teacher for and nurse for and admin for so akai omu how bi. Omu bi ati akamu bi kra ban be twem be brenan. No mark of aba. Negotiations. Ya yira ban minimum. Nurses see a cost strike, doctors see a cost strike. Sika omoji ane di omohwe ye budget for. E ban homete, amanfo homete. Nti yesesa aban tempa no, okofa bibi free ha no de betua ha. We are sape what the stop through economy. Bio yen ka bi nsemu obehwa ne ja to baabi. Bru na sa aban ko pesika bi na ode behwe. Afe hwe bibi ti se boko nsema ekoso wo yi say you can't throw amount of money aban hwere no bosumi bia to try to keep peace there ebe ye onwa then who situation climate change issues aban wakobo bosia why $10 million wo dey ayekwan 1 kilometer 1 kilometer road no ebia wa budget say be di be mfiedu. But bebo busumi nu na nsubrani bi ato den. Nsu na ohura kwan ni nyina ko. O ma wo manum ne driver for na o ma apply road there. E kwan na senti aban bra be ye. Obi enu a wo twe na adwena si so say e $10 million. Ana nsu awohuru plus interest. So, enti niema awodo bebre enti ne ka say economy no e fragile. Developing countries in your economy are fragile.
But doctor, are we saying they say your core IMF asia ye nya sa challenge way e jan hwehwe akwan en say putupuru ama no bobi mebu ma doctor for nurse for teacher for emma because now can be say the indiscipline on the part of the Ghanaian politician.
Yeah.
Because under IMF Ghana Medical Association call for or maybe I think say Aban is still negotiating with them. But maybe senya under IMF e ka ba de opepra kwatam sikebe fi be
Sa pepe nti IMF de no I to say chairman wo fi dan kola no de homework aba no ne ade uja no aba no homework time opebi ya no asore no akọ no aba na mom say chairman wo fi na ke kutana Kole bia be hwese ntempa no be wie no homework. Na twem akwansakra no akọ television.
Yeah.
Enti that e ma nya no fie no ana o fie na ke ni nkuta no pe na freedom aba. Enu na ese itimi share sapo munsuo den. Na political pressure. No ya nya kwan we ya no vote. Ya ma ya kania no vote. Ya ma yensia no vote. Enti ya priorities no. Na ese you try na you put no right. Na you discipline. You know I know. Me opposition no men kokasa ban tiri mo den. Ana wa me ye kwan ama. Yes sir. Sure. Because minim se sa na hye anything. Nti de o wa ban mu no tu sa na mo na. Me nko take political advantage. But here we are. Me call ya na maduro. Ma uza mo kwan ye. So promises so be ye kwan ama. Onye nti mu nsu jangu abachi. Ne jagu dachi. na yɛkɔ baba na bisa New Patriotic Party ase mame ma tiefo nyina ache ne ahwefo New Patriotic Party yɛhyehyɛ nneɛma mpani hyehyɛ nneɛma you bounce back obiara ma ne yɛ mu nhyehyɛ no fine of course edu baabi a na ya komatu efi sɛ kasa no bebree adɔs am sɛ atɛmie biara yɛbɛdi yɛ ho yɛdi nsɛm bi a bɛka biara yɛka bibiara yɛsie yɛ biara yɛ deɛ aduro yɛ adwobrɛ na srɛ penifo wɔ ɔman mu penifo wɔ party mu yɛmfa ne die ma penifo na hyehyɛ biara mpanin ɛwɔ ma yɛn ɛnora mete sɛ steering committee emiti ene NEC bemiti na council of elders so obemiti mesre mu ara mesre obi biara nkabo mu ne hia sisi ya ye IMF ni wiase nyina ka se New Patriotic Party emfa ho ne ahokyera na oman ni wo wiase wo mu a oman ni ko mu bi emfa ho ne yemfomso ne niema bi a ye na ka betumi aye no foforo yi emfa ho ene yensusue a bebre amamu emfa ho ne katasehye no proya left and right ana bibi say yesusu ana etisa ni nyina mu no we were able to manage the economy well na say saa we wo ho eman ya the goodwill odo ane pepa Ghana for wo man say ye breye ho ase ye yesutie na ye hwe se bibia be ye wano na ni die ne ebuo be ba ye ntem a Ghana for be sa kire odo ne bio minim se achia na emu nti mpani ba kwa kotena siampa eya asumdwe mu a kwa kototo
yes now no statement be I have from the minority caucus. This time a statement signed by the ranking member on Local Government and Rural Development Committee of Parliament, Francis Asensubuache, MP for Bantima. So I must say we the minority caucus on the Local Government and Rural Development Committee of Parliament have taken note with deep concern of recent statement made by the Metropolitan Chief Executive of Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Mr. Richard Ofuri Ajman Bwadri, in which he described the adoption of a so-called military democratic style of enforcement and threatening to physical assault on traders who do not comply with directives regarding the ongoing decongestion exercise. While we fully acknowledge that the Local Governance Act, Act 936, empowers MMDAs as the highest planning authorities within their jurisdictions, and it is indeed their lawful duty to enforce bylaws and ensure public order, including preventing trading on pedestrian walkways. This mandate must be carried out within the confines of the law and with full respect for human rights. Violence, threat of physical abuse, and the use of fear as a governance tool are unacceptable in any form and have no place in the constitutional democracy like ours. The remarks made by the mayor are not only reckless, but also risk undermining public confidence in local authorities and may expose the assembly to potential human rights violations. Signed, Honorable Francis Asensubuache, Member of Parliament for Bantima and ranking member, Local Government and Rural Development Committee of Parliament, say on behalf of the minority caucus. Weba say your video na Zuba video na yentie asemwa the mayor of Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly.
Punishment. So I have my own democratic military style, which I'll be implementing. When we say leave this space, and you don't leave this space, and I get there, I am not lucky, and my boys are with me, there and then, we'll beat you. There, in the middle of a doom. If you're not lucky, if I'm alone, you'll be lucky. But if I'm there, and my 10 boys are in their pickup with me, with their hips, trust me, we'll beat you. If you don't want to experience that kind of situation, do that which is right and which is lawful. This is Otunfo City. This is the Asantehene City. This is the Garden City of West.
The Kumasi mayor says persons who have erected metal structures on the road for their trading activities will also be dealt with.
Okay, enti Mayor Emma Kumasi Kropono, Chairman Emeritus. The comeback of Kumasi Akwesi Agyeman is finally here.
Nana,
They come back.
I'm saying, Benibeka said, the just appointed mayor no misspoke. He misspoke. I'm putting it in a very diplomatic way. So, Rebecca said, one can say, as a mayor, like a minority folk, he has got all the powers to ensure that hawking on the streets, metal structures at unauthorized places, I say you're eliminating it. We all go to Kumasi and you know that previous, I say Garden City. That time, of late, when I was in football, Yakobobo Kumasi sports stadium, who drive up, it is so smooth. This is who comes the market, a busy share, sa area, who call traffic, because human traffic adults. See, but the problem is that the metropolis are expanding. And Baby Omudi Jawanosu, it is shrinking. That is why you find people on the pavements and the streets. So what you should rather do is to, as Mayor Wabano, the first thing is, the Kumasi Central Market now, I would say, yes, that thing is outstanding. Other satellite market, or Ashanti now, I would say, they are outstanding. So I think what you should do is to find investors or get people to buy into his idea to build these markets, expand them, and take the offload of the people there. Well, because okay, he did that, but he never whipped anybody. I never hear El Kofi, the late Mr. Akusajima whipping people. It was very robust, but he wasn't whipping people.
Maybe I only 10 boys.
And to me, I'm saying he has come back to say that he has Wachusa Kasana Ichi. So once he has done that, I think we will leave it there. But seriously, that is not the style of the leader of the party. The Pakrona, Omawu, Ejumase Koyeno. That is not his style.
Okay, so other concerns we are now always here saying. Udruk must say a doom piece at one year. You were police for not less than 20.
Yeah.
In the general. You were city guards.
Yeah.
Not less than 30.
Yeah.
In the war. But still, we find people say Omudi go baby in the
yeah, you know why? The people doing the job, they are compromised.
Police for
they are compromised. Accra had the same thing. They say Abaye. Obana Chepesebo Niko Shekona we bibi tunubotumpe. Honest ujina hokwana watu. It's happening everywhere. It's compliance. No, but notwithstanding that, let us find alternative means. We are not in a dictatorship. We are in a democracy. But he cannot get to me a whip. So, and this is most of them were not happy about it. A lot of them, and they're not happy about it. Who can whip whipping?
It's not because Mufia said you might lose votes.
No, it is not a matter of fear, but it is not appropriate. How can you go on the street and whip people?
When they are being recalcitrant.
No. So make sure that you use the law. They've given you all the powers, but they didn't give you a power to whip. Like they've given you all the powers to do what you can. The early morning, baby, I'm schedule or now. 5, you get the whole place cleaned up. 4 a.m. Then you go and put all the policemen, block the areas. Block the area, see who will come. Have a permanent police sitting there or whatever, who have not been compromised. And see who come and put his words there. Who come and put his words there. And then when you've done that, then they are the cause. You set up the cause that will take care of the
Chema, maybe I think Dr. Kokofu Betty the Kumasi terrain na se kakra. Ebusunya sam ne dosu.
Hwe. Accra. Sisia Accra, Uko Bridge here. Look at what is happening there.
Second.
Uko Octagon.
Yeah.
Look at what is happening there. It is because people haven't got places to go and do their wares. We have to take that into consideration. That's what President Mahama said. Obesity markets. We are going to expand the markets. If you have got the place that they are adequately trading in, and then you enforce the laws, but so far no, the markets are congested, and people must earn a living. You understand? So you have to weigh the thing. Let us get the right environment and see whether they will not go there. If they are recalcitrant, then that is why I know that you see drama, you see market amount, and you are not going to use it. Then all of us will come back and say, look, let us deal probably in a different
say ye see at the American for near you mokum neged for by catch there say ye won't cause a job for yes in more at the top 4 and my home at Tadi. So such in no, so don't because I see one crying. So don't encourage the people to buy the thing from the streets. Over any day.
Oh,
donuts and donuts.
No, so that's what I'm saying. Said that particular area, no, cordon the place off, and don't allow human habitation there. That's what you have to do. And
be a person be jam.
Police for into other countries. City so. It's an eyesore. Other countries have done it. Look, let me just say, YouTubers are around. Yeah. They go and they show markets. And are they different from us? It's because we in this country, either the laws we are not enforcing the laws, or those who have to enforce the laws have been compromised. When we are growing up, people are not sitting on the streets. Yeah. There was Mokola. Everybody gets up, he goes to Mokola or goes to Salaga Market. That's why I started by saying that population has outgrown, the facilities haven't been expanded. So it has allowed people, and we have sat down over the years, successive governments, because of politics. As we said earlier, I said earlier on, we've closed our eyes.
Because the fear Senator NDC form feel comfortable with their own mayor. It looks as if they kwakoye Yabwa Tinjan and Okuvandapoy. I was second 70B. Ya sheni ye party na dream pony sin Tony Naba yese. Ye the massa ye political party we are aim for political power.
See,
but at the end of warrior, at the sanity, Peripeyo, Kumasi act.
Nana, times are changing.
Okay.
I mean, you cannot be standing still. If that time, no, Yaojan and Vanapoy had a fracas. Have you subsequently seen the effect? Look at the effect. What I say? We are living with the effect of that misunderstanding. But if you had followed and ensured that after getting rid of them, you give them another place or you create an environment for them to go, we will not be where we are today.
Okay. A wise man always speaks in Proverbs. Zuba's small statement has sent strong waves in Kumasi Central Business Area where I do my trade. People have started packing from the street. King Zuba is the right man for the job. Keep Kumasi clean. 2 p.m. Dr. Kukufu.
Nika. Yedika, my more minority caucus for Abbas. Okay. Omuko Kumasi, now team, I'm saying Jordan.
Yeah.
Baby, a jatro mono. Leader, a lawyer, honorable Afenyo Markin, do any. How come I won't? Yako, a piscacra. Scanner sopa by me today. At the amount so
200,000.
400 and
200. Say, a Kumasi 200, 200.
Okay. Total near 400,000. Okay, yo. Oh my idea.
Can I 4 billion?
Umko crowd no many be ama on pa. What penny on any. The Bible see the ocean, only ocean. nti me bo ambaso ana se me MP so na issue statement.
Yes, so na ranking member.
Yes, MP Bantama MP me ma wache anope. Na Zuba say den me where the military democracy bo.
Say owo understand here military democracy.
Military democracy.
Our 10 boys.
Military
you could pick up.
Military democracy.
Yes.
So students of
it's a military hyphen.
Students of political science. Your researcher to do. Military hyphen democracy. Yo. When him say Zuba me uncle me opasi. Yeah, me pa. Then first time okoye adwuma local government.
Yeah.
Him say wadi Mary ana DC MC Kabwase wadi be pay.
Yeah.
Until that time no apply sa we no.
Ebi ano mo nyesa na mo ye Kumasi.
Well, until Kumasi for ye na yes fata. Well, but no kremu ni. Minu anu me wo Kumasi ene ne mpatam ni ne dwom. Maseda no. Ye bu afu ye nkoto aba. Nunti Roberto Diamandis no mfamo ho.
NPP
omunsusu a edi abufuo ne yawo. Ye kotu atiam obi hwe manim a ono abo ye kotu atiam. Kotu tiae. There is certain agenda. Me hu se suba nye na adwene ana mayor sorry say there. Honorable Mayor, me nyini say ono kwa na adwene no de bekan him. Oh, but now we mayor. Oh, me. Oh, Chema, won say okasa man ke bi pa.
Minyonko no mi papa. Me no bet na ase a. Papa. Who say me fuaso, but the moment you want to attribute it to NDC.
Oh,
or somebody.
Okay, my attribute to CPP. My attribute to CPP. You be comfortable. And young Marion, no one I didn't know about Kachira Muno, Kumase. Oh, yes. The Wakumasu. The war researching agenda. What is in stock for the people in the Central region and Kumasi? And no order than the actual.
So much Kumasi.
Of course. Now, what's what the kid, what the hip, beba. Now, Menkane ya, me mammy came. Ubia mammy came, me sure some son mammy came. Se pass it. The mammy tiasina can rebel whoop papa. Yeah, and then I'm way, I didn't know why you call by doctors and engineers, MPs in your positions are hold on the other. Yeah, mammy no tear wiem. And your papa no tie wiem. Koban to medium correct, I bring my me all ton tomatoes. If we are brane, and yet you know what be you. And now tomorrow will be flat. Name mum woo a bar wa wono. And now ma wa womo. Some will be di and will be cosuku. We hear new waba. Me can be cry. Kunafo, your wedge and a man nine noon. The near to 12:27.
I will not buy to emotional. Rather attacking as some one say. Kumasi, I am decongested. You are congested. Kumasi, I am fee.
Yes.
Young Pequani and decongested.
Yes.
Young Pequani to be Prana, the garden city.
Yes.
Of West Africa.
Yes.
Yankusu and
I agree. So, former minister, MP Nasimokan. Also, who are branding Yinara? The framers of the law. We are mayor, and I do could Jinabia. Yam for uns, no sapine adequate edumon. And mra no ho, and she said no, Koya bit me a fasten. Now I hear him no I. Now, Kofa would ye free where your friend acting ultra virus.
When the man for no may enforce it, and Brano have been compromised.
Oh, as my
not less than 20 police officers.
Oh,
and Okumasi do.
Sir, evidence or also be a compromise that I that's all but no prosecuting no changing. If you have that evidence, until say Ghana police in was Central region, you compromise. You can't tell me say now me a compromise. Just arrest them, put them before court, prosecute them, and then bring in new ones. And as I say, ultra virus or acting outside the law to the extent say, "Oh, kind of yaw, maybe a chum." Soja by stream Crawford, Kumasine, Montana, Sonomnia, the Kijiti Montes. Wokai. 30-40 years ago, dear Crawford Refi, you are bringing it in Quaday 21, 22, 18, 19. Oman Ruby. You are bringing it to life. because we are mayor. Now last week no busumi etwam. Na ayi adwuma sanam no a ye isi awo airport a. Na unya mayor na won kasa sa wo. Tumi na be wura wo. Honhom na be wura wo. Enti Kumasi for the first casualty. We agree. Sakwa bia so SS assembly ne ye na adwuma. Na wo ka say assembly ne na tena ase. And assembly members ni nyina ye because mayor is not the authority. The authority is the assembly. My assembly member pay government appointee. And I'm a finance and friends say administration FNA convener. I've been in there. Presiding member or no an assembly no crowdano. Into yet national assembly this year. What we mayor no what in saying chief coordinating director to her. Women are running affairs. You really take a decision near the Amawu mayor when with team coordinating director nominated to implement. And the decision then an assembly national say will take here. Are you a question? Answer question Crawford. Me person who means no. It's no end here. My friend, assembly members bibria minimum. Your more AM. And what came? So one committee in the bay. Na decision no taking in the bay. Ah, omo say maybe on sase onye na onko now so say afedi or the cake Baba Crawford there. And the boys attended dinner. The boys attended dinner. Who knows them? And you only know every recruit to omo no be yes man. Assembly na kasa was staff our workers. If you don't trust them,
Kumasi Adom PZ.
How am I there?
Jina one mama for a job and
discipline them. We are
city gas.
We are penny no be shawase. No, yeah, Juma. No, Juma, no, and my new authority. Then away. What chin panaso? Name a shape. So where are disciplinary coach? If you cannot control your own people, woman buy a far woman buy Piomuka. Omun Yoma Jume and you continue and see a Piomuka. Then you're also a corporate. It's massive inefficiency and incompetency. And you don't want me in some way no with extra and bra wow pay. As you could obey anything. The obey say assembly in Cotinasi. Omutinasi. Now woman you to me say, quite say ni say ni decongestion. Kumasi aye time. Nkrofo di job be enye. A dear near be ye be pain. Dear near ne can ye, dear near ye ani. The anya ye be ni say, one I do uncle judge na hon said ya can be a compromise. Okay. Now let us call them. Madam Fo, more and more ye demand yes, more and more ye ABC. And then you're satisfied on all of you. Woo area ye the amount ye ba na say a hon say na when ya. We nipa ye ni mo. Where are the inspectors? It means all mommy a particular jurisdiction. Now banana the SM ye no hominia. You hold me responsible, accountable. Put the fear of God in your staff. Rather than the innocent people of Kumasi. Put the fear of God in your staff. If you say, I bind to your car, Sagrofona pampa momuna, Ukoshipu Okobum, almost tasks and kitting, and a GGN, a bedroom more my GF. Where I can near dinner, came a staff, and no more woman, Sanko for ever 2 women, as the woman told. Ticket.
It was certain to Jayana because never when I agree from the point said. Say the party baby, I'll see a honye. Yeah, now, that means what one encourage.
That's the point.
It's here now to an
empty one crown, one ship on the home, one ship on the staff.
Offer 10 boys.
And ship on the home, or money 10 boys, and ship or no mayor. Well, we are none staff, no one, my 10 boys, and ship home, and son will tears about Tiaco Kitty. Yet one is an army. Yet one is an army and dead Kumasi Yeni. Seriously. And then teacher ni kura jam mecha or classroom.
Kinzuba deba.
And net teacher ni we jam mecha or classroom. If you say mra man kwan. Ya bo dini na otwe mai. Be good president edumasi. Ya nene betre Kumasi pa.
So here,
they say ya nene betre Kumasi
to satisfy.
Ya nene betre Kumasi. Otumfo onsman. Otumfo onsman is there. Onfa Kane kwahwe obi a Kane wo Kane bi odi kwahwe obi dia. NDC head office na dem an. So far kwahwe. More otumfo din. More otumfo din
kofu.
My day is spoiled already.
Nana kokofu. Nana isia.
Young couple, see a couple of consum. Near electricity.
I would say, which you are no woofy. Unim no so.
Oh, yes,
like I said, no. He misspoke. This year on the social media, where a man for share, and a lot of people are not happy about what he said. And me, I'm calling on him to come back, and so he should come back, hold a press conference at where he sat, and retract the statement. He should retract it. To say, I mean, there are laws in this country. And I feel most of the people, the police, whoever, the boys who are supposed to take, most of them are compromised.
But as I'm trying to say, I make us say, Sika group, maybe about 1,000 Ghana cedis this year. Dial *281# select option 4. Do be up a be a trap, ne winnie, na 1,000. Madam Waba, you have a twasso. Emra Badwam show on Adom TV. Because say Compute Ghana Easter Sales campaign no e koso. Se wunya enkoje odia. Bomodia bowura Compute Ghana asuye bia da koje de promo from now to 30th of April. Yema 50% discount. Now standing a chance to win 85-inch television from Compute Ghana. Ye wo enkrabata ewo more beer what Ghana bia be bia be kupia bon Compute Ghana enkrabata ewodom. You have also a Spintex, Oxford Street, East Legon, with fully packed IT and electronic showrooms. 80 better idea less than a minimum of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now enter into the draw. Now a win big raffle draw no on the 2nd of May. It was with me a win, but 50% discount no from the year to 30th of April. Now auto idea minimum of 1,000 Ghana cedis. You can enter into the draw. Yeah, but on the 2nd of May, we enter to the draw. That so we never bet me 85-inch smart TV. We bet me iPhones. We bet me laptops, juicers, rice cookers, and in the eke home be udo be bread. Easter to o kitchen ho niema free Compute Ghana. To o bedroom ho niema free Compute Ghana. Na to o sitting home niema free Compute Ghana. We never also for me pa phrase 0302 752 020. And 0243. WhatsApp number no 0243 143 143. WhatsApp on 0243 143 143. Chairman Kuka. Boko ene guta on electricity tariff. Minimum no percent or the echo.
Boko
okay.
Boko asame dear. It do baby I would say we should quickly nip it in the bud. Okay. It do be a sema asantini so obeyano. You can share info because I info some.
Okay.
Oh, politicians yakasa on this issue, and if you continue talking about it, it becomes political, and then sharp divisions. You know, it still remains there. Because I'm saying before independence, crowd.
Yeah.
Before independence, nation say, as who is a Boku or Bunaba, who is a which is it a Kusasi or Mampusi who should be Boku Naba, and this has been raging on, and it is getting into a more press conference from here. That's Mampusi for, and you could see that. No more canoe. It is all against the law of the country. Say, a pair of police phone and soldiers info. Name more 3 days. We will see the rightful owners of Boko. Which means you are going to commit genocide. Yes, I tell you are going to commit genocide. Now, I dare have me say, it is the youth who are pushing this agenda. Why? First and foremost, there's a lot of idle hands. Ejumeni. Nti ebiaba no say omunji AK-47 anamunye namu wakosimi. Quickly they jump at you with a few CDs in their pockets. And you can imagine say sika ediabo hobai military expenses are they could have used that money to develop Boku. Because Boku market, one of the most important markets in the country called Ghana. Since I'm saying Gukra, Obianko, Obiasro. The last time I call a campaign or any GM cohort, yes, it road be a fast road. They will start shooting at us. I was saying a detour to go to where we are going. Because the other road is safe.
Because the majority of the youth in community into a
exactly. Well, because the idle hands. Oh, it is the moment we are not careful. You see where you can. There was one of your sister stations. No, we can say JM Kasa, say we can JM Kasa. Now, so when you do that, you are even emboldening the people to go on a certain tangent.
But now, it me a prevent you in our politics.
I agree with you. It do stage all of us. Me, I always say that Ghana fair because since it's a Ghana share, it's a Boku share. The people will either move down south. The first place they will pass in Bono, then they come to Ashanti region, then they come to Accra. After Accra, they can't go through the sea.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, if they are coming now, all of us are in danger. We also can run away through the sea, which means Abasa, we have got nowhere to go.
Yeah.
Both Omo and us. Look at what happened in Rwanda. Look at the number of people who were killed because somebody said a certain tribe were full of cockroaches. So let's kill the cockroaches. And people took it literally to kill cockroaches, human beings. And you saw what happened. And yesterday when I was watching the news conference from Boku, one person said, they said the police and the militia should just leave the place and give them 3 days. And they will see who and who Boku belongs to. I want to know who. Oh, maybe I don't know. It is very important to say, all of us, I hope Asantini, Oba, I see 28, but now 3 days. I hope with his stature, and this is a chieftaincy matter, he was able to solve the Dagbo matter. Now that place is quiet. And once the chieftaincy matter, they cannot come to agreement. Look, they can even decide, say, we will rotate the chieftaincy. Maybe after 5 years, Mudia, we are Bokunaba, say, wait, this tribe be able Bokunaba for 5 years. Next 5 years, this tribe will also come. There must be an understanding. Okay. The whole place is who is the overlord of Boku. As a fight now, fight now. If you go into history, people tell you different stories. Who came from where? Who arrived and who invited who to come and join us, and all of a sudden, you were saying the land belongs to you. We were not born at that time. We were not privy to it at that time. This is oral translation of history. We can't authenticate it. Oh, now on the PURC matter, it's a IMF conditionality. Say, every quarter, and in their statement yesterday, it was made that if you don't sign up to that conditionality, sir, this tranche, they don't give it to you.
Yeah.
It's part of the IMF conditionalities.
Okay.
Right. But rightly so, if even this IMF conditionality, sir, I feel it is too much.
The percentage?
It's too much.
14.75%.
I feel it's too much. We have got up to 3rd May to negotiate, to apply it. I think the government should go back and talk to them to look at because now
IMF on a day the percentage increment. The agreement talks about
quarterly
increment.
Quarterly increment is part of the IMF condition.
But I'm talking about the percentage.
If PURC for more, yeah, that's why I say that percentage 14%.
Yeah.
To me is too high. Well, you all buy power. I buy power. Go for buy power, and I feel in my pocket when I'm buying power. Because me I don't want to mention the amount I made, but within 1 week, now my Baba catch and say, "Oh ma, oh bedroom like the next. Let me be saying, na then now we so fear." And sometimes me go out. I was saying, "Yes, light na fun no there you do na." The way you see a dinosaur Ghana, you know, you feel it's that prison. Wish more heat and from crosswinds and from Nankazam and Ghana until wish a demo, wish a tomb, who feel bad. I was at the best air condition, who so fun. And although you can't even sit in your so we ourselves have created problems for ourselves. What you see here? We are all feeling it, and I believe, like what the other. Is it Guta or whatever?
Yeah, Guta, yeah.
Once everybody is expressing concern, government should sit down and have a look at it.
Okay.
Whether there is part of conditionalities or not, you also have to think about the people. Okay. The people that you are ruling, they are all of us. When you're NDC, NPP, when you're talking electricity, one tobe de sumo.
Yeah.
But if the cost is, so I don't want us to go to now who caused it? Now who caused up? The inefficiency, the distribution. What is the solution? We have to find a solution on how we are going. Now, let's see about privatizing, obesity, but when you go to other jurisdictions, electricity and all those things, who call London, greater electricity corporation, we handle London, who call Manchester, another, so that more efficiency in there. So those inefficiencies.
Chairman, to be honest, I say the few months, PDS, EBJ, power distribution, yes, you could see a clear difference between PDS and ECG.
Exactly.
But with the same staff.
Exactly. Oh, exactly. Obiakano, Ada Oye Abindian. We, the people of Ghana, treat it differently. And Aza Oye Kokofu, Nediano. Oh, no, I always say, Neniko or Yeshua say, everything is being done right. But when it belongs to all of us, and that has been the bane of our existence in this country.
Okay. Yeah, quick one. Maybe free electricity tariff.
Okay.
Chairman say IMF conditionality. Are there any resetting agenda in there? Oh, we should rather be resetting.
But
we are resetting. We are resetting. And the resetting agenda no money away. And IMF conditionality. And no more about IMF agreement too.
Yeah.
And the President Akufo-Addo na rooftop.
Yes.
And the electricity boarding and the multi-million na business is good. None of the IMF new. Please, mun kipuku. Ghanaians munye kom na muntia. 14.1%. Yes, because that is what we bargained for. You go Joma no you toye. Wabra, you are telling Ghana for say. So wait me a bit down electricity production. Now you cost so I form a walk as a someone think outside the box. You say thermal production near gas here near the number a cheaper source a solar system renewable would the mixino properly in a proper mixture between Badwam are bringing it down. In fact, in NPP manifesto, our candidate then, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, made it clear. So within 3 months in office, you've been making sure more than 2,000 megawatts of electricity through solar panel systems will be added onto the national grid. Now, a Badwam cost a perform, a bit creating more employment. BBB. Whilst you'll be looking at a friend is saying efficiency in the operations of ECG. Maybe that's all about PDS. We are century. And now not PDS in here.
Oh, me say for the
time nearby.
Yeah.
What do you compare there?
Difference can come here.
Chairman on the
PDS mu na mo say no bia.
Oh.
Mu na mo chair mo. That was the problem.
Oh. PDS yenya ban NPP aban na dey introduce here.
Na mo
ya. Na mo go opposition that time mo boat so na mo kanya. Kwabra ye nyina kra as oman ye nhye da nya abdaje. An hwe se mre kakra na ye introduce sa PDS aye no. Ene de ye no da no difference so man. Now today here we are.
Muche ade no American
now baby I do ni.
I don't want to go there.
Man ko because it's no more there. Now you are in office. She say mo na mo office. And I must say mo betimi aye ni. So you can do it better.
Yeah, we've been power for just 95 days. 95 days, 3 months. Now,
apart from that, yeah. Apart from a year, but it's just supposed to be a better moon. And you see a 14% now. Yet your man you will say. And I must say, young man, we are seeing now monster mamma president because he live here. You live now how many percent?
1.5.
1.5%. And away you betting tax
10%.
10%.
11.5%.
11.5%. And Busumi no introduce 14.0%.
75%.
Electricity. No introduce what are the others say? Okay. It took a couple one. It you 11. Anna. Or the 11.
Okay, what else? You 4.02%.
So you are talking about almost 19%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
19%.
Anna or they Ababi Pios.
As against your withdrawal.
Against the withdrawal.
Your withdrawal so less than 90%.
Less 11%. The withdrawal. Then also crown go for the nominal terms, because we got electricity 1,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. And now we have 14 point something % on data. It's almost 140 cedis plus. Betting tax would be betting where the I na yatin say.
Okay, so bet you 147.50.
Yes.
On 1,000 cities.
Yes, the average worker, salary worker of Ghana. Ya two pay could we say?
10%.
10%. Yes, say President Vietnam will penny for meeting with when he had more bomb and some crack. 10%. And now our electricity 14.7%. Every 3 months. With 10% near the mile. Every 3 months you have to pay with 10%. Please, say, yeah, politicians near or mem. Now you boo or Maya. Momaya and Tia say, no cracker. Nick day now so, and no never more man move forward. Okay. Says here you find yourself in this quagmire. Man raising for expectations to the point say Obia himself come over Bemwa now say was it 100 days no chairman say 120 days. Oh yeah, they are 200 days. You better start answers. But the bedroom, be live draw. The bedroom match 1,000 cities. Now I mean come up
30 seconds.
I'm not 30 seconds. Okay.
But me live draw. It is a live draw na crowd apacho weba for me. Na me 1,000 cities na no pay na obi enyo kenti 5 4 3 2 1 yanko afi hwana every near yanko 0543 509 star 0543 509 star on a winning since I will sack 1,000 cities. Bon collect my madam TV no enkasa. Doctor Yemwe.
Yeah. Bokwasem ayara hu sem papa. You say enianom. Me onam for the man proceed the
kusasi.
Maybe wait me free the obedi ma dia. Dr. Krugu Kensley. No oye kusasi. Na ukofie say yes say na ka me man proceed no kusasi. Asemi ba pe bonsi ni na see trust. Oh, you be a home, you be a friend. So why? And then Tina Yank and whom name my Mabuno and Yania Omoya. Omobejaya, a year men no more, and we are no more free Mantamo Kumasan and crying. Moana moves to see the room. Moana would dear Triono and Nisicanico, a comawo. Innocently, no, they come because a more person would be say, Mountain crying. Eti abuchireti Kumasi mo per control over the place there. Eti wo hini we na wo ho and I will control be adwuma. Eti aye proxy war and e cause. Memory bebre nim ne enti kro moko.
Man pick up call. Hello, good morning.
Mami
hello. Hey, what's that 1,000?
Nice one. What you say? Wow. Enjoy the quiet day. There be am catch us kosune twa na skills ka do twa kwa dia everybody cheba kokofu me da se fa me time aso fa chempa
oh that be we there we are otumfo onyame nsira onyankopon koso nsira sabtehene otumfo setiti the second eduru dia den no
oni afre
o man ni nipa nyina nim se ye wo nipa bi nom wo ho a eduru dia dia e fro
me dey akwasi sia o china do professor dia sia
onkwa
bakra wo nyina